morning, Tradeify Nation. Welcome back to another London session stream. It's Tuesday, May 12th. I hope everyone's crushing it so far in the charts since we last spoke anyway. Or if you've been trading today, I hope you've been crushing it as well. As usual, I'm sure you guys are. What do we have today? We have CPI today. So happy CPI to all those who celebrate. We do have that red folder news coming out later today at 8:30. So beware, be cautious. But after that, we should hopefully see some calmer markets. Obviously, there will be a lot of volatility when that 8:30 news gets injected. But for now, what we're seeing is a bit of NQ slowing down for now. So we'll get into it in a minute. Let me just, you know what, Roman? I don't have the chat up. That is one thing I forgot to bring up. Hold on, chat. I'm coming. I need to get my good morning round in there before I start doing my analysis. All right, hold 1 second. I see you guys. There we go. All right, good. I'm going to do a quick good morning as usual, and then I'll get straight into it. Frankfurt has just opened, so officially we are in the Frankfurt session now. All right, good morning, Southern Boy. Good morning, Run It Up. Good morning, Kiss Me. Good morning, Richard. Good morning, Henry. Good morning, 10 Lots. Good morning, Kosti. Good morning, Wick Sweeper. Rusty. Good morning, Kyle. Andrea, Foxy Lux, G for Geo, Cleopas, Basu, Wick Sweeper, M1, Amia, Cheese Balls. Hey, Cheese Balls in here early. Good morning, Alan. Sorry, Luke is here. Who else? I am Manu Mouse. Good morning. Shiny Trades. Good morning. Now Meow. Annie. Everyone's here. Good morning to you all. Yeah, let's have a killer session, guys. I mean, second day of the week. Yesterday got cooked on the longs, and in the end, like, this is an NQ now, by the way, guys. This is the 15-minute chart, but look at that range we were stuck in all of yesterday. We did push up a little bit here to make the new all-time highs, now sitting at 29,480 here on NQ, but we really then just chopped around, and we've sort of, if you know, you draw two or even a box probably shows this range a little better, but this is sort of what we're stuck in. We want to see a movement outside of this range. For me, at least, to stay bullish biased, I'd like to see a sweep of this previous 4-hour low, but this daily low, this previous day's low sitting at 29,225 looks like a key level now that we have that equaled with pretty much that Asia low there. So those 2 weeks are pretty much equal. I see that as a clean area of price that we could potentially draw into, sweep out, and then hopefully reverse and continue driving price upwards to make new all-time highs, because that's all we keep seeing here on NQ. Another bullish candle close on NQ here on the daily chart. So what do you expect today to do? I would expect another bullish candle close. Why expect anything different? Because NQ just keeps ripping. And also in line with that sweep of previous day low that I want to see, we would also be tapping in nicely here into a bullish daily gap. And these, when we're strongly bullish, these should hold quite nicely. Like, for example, on Friday last week, we did drop down, sweep out that previous day low, and just tap into that bullish gap just lightly. We didn't like deeply retrace into it, but we did tap into it, and we just skyrocketed from there. So I would expect us to have a similar movement here, sweep into that bullish daily gap, and then continue to the upside, take out that previous day high and beyond for new all-time highs. But for now, watching that 4-hour candle, we've had no sweep. And yeah, until we get a sweep to the downside, I will stay out. Going to stay patient as usual, guys. But in the end yesterday, I did take a nice trade after initially taking the loss. And I hope you guys, like, I did post about it on Twitter, but I hope there was a lesson in that. Because a lot of you were like, you know, Slin's gambling, taking that second long, you know, the first one stopped her out within 3 minutes. It's not going to work. And, you know, I had all of those comments coming, not from all of you, but from a lot of you were sort of like, you know, this is just DGen Slim. But in actual truth, it was disciplined. It still followed the same criteria of the first trade I took, but it ended up being a killer, like 80-point trade in the end. So I'm glad I didn't hesitate and give in to you guys. I'm glad I stuck to my rules. And in the end, sticking to your rules is always going to pay off. So I hope there was a lesson in that for some of you that were like, she's degening, you know, take the loss. Like, sometimes you got to reflect. Yes, you got to understand whether it's degen trading or not. But, you know, I sat there, talked through the trade the exact same I talked through the first trade I took, and it was very valid. It was valid. It was my system, and that's on that. But anyway, how is everyone doing? Is anyone in any trades right now? Just wondering. Maybe you guys are shorting still. Asia has had a move to the downside. Right now, we're looking at from that high to low 200 points. So quite a nice range in Asia today. But to stay on the side of the bulls, I don't want to be in shorts. I want to see the shorts sweep out at this level and then let the bulls take over once we get that previous day low sweep. So that's what I'm looking for. But right now, I'm not in anything. But please let me know how you guys are doing. Caustic in shorts, Waleed in shorts. All right, long gold, Rusty. Okay. Southern Boy, looking for a good setup. Need $400 to pass this 50K. Okay, don't rush into anything, Southern Boy. I know it feels like you're so close, but in just one trade, you could, be back at square one. So make sure you are getting into that AA plus setup there. You don't want to be missing out. Now, also, we got to get a quick Grand Cup update because we have revealed more. We got who have we got? So we've got Desi. We've got Jake Ritchie as the newest addition to the Outlaws here. So I wonder if anyone guessed those guys. But we still have a fair few. I still want to know who that is because that one looks funny. And Kane. Sorry, it was Kane, Jake, and Desi have been revealed. So there you go, guys. More Outlaws. It's gonna get very interesting next week when it all starts. And that's a reminder also, if anyone hasn't signed up, make sure you go sign up because it does start on the 17th of May. So get ready. Bushwoogie says Celine was not revealed, Bushwoogie. Wixweaver says similar to Kane last time he was on during London's second entry worked. Yeah, that does happen. I think you guys have seen me do that a few times on stream, like that first setup being right direction, wrong time, and then getting that second entry in, and then it ends up being the move. And sometimes you have to take the first loss to just, sometimes you're just wrong. And sometimes it can aggressively stop you out, and then you try that second time and it stops you out again. And for me, 2 stops is just like, you're wrong, going to stay out, or at least stop trading those accounts. But in the end yesterday, that second one played out. All right, Roman's put a poll up in there for you guys. So he says, how are you doing, bullish or bearish? I'm going to say bullish today, Roman. Let's see what the chat say. In gold short, some of you. Diamonds here says, I'm in a short, and a short could be in place, still in a short since 9 p.m. Eastern. All right, well, hell yeah, you got the drop from 9 p.m. So you would have at least taken some decent profits there. Good morning, Paul. Sweep, I pity the fool that draws Kane. Oh, yeah. You guys might be cooked. I hope it's not me. Bushwee says, yes, you were by Nick on that list. I absolutely was not. I am not an outlaw. Justin, Celine, I will be going for the bounty on you. Justin, you better watch out. Okay, there is no bounty on me, by the way. So good luck. Andrea says, you are going to be revealed today during NY session, seems like. Keen to see what you are wanted for. That's a very interesting take, Andrea, because I know nothing. I mean, maybe you guys know more, but I mean, for as much as I know, I am not an outlaw. Okay, you guys don't believe me. That's sad. When have I ever lied to the chat? Caustic, I'm off to night shift team. Have some good trades, peeps. I'm off to pull some coal out the ground. Hell yeah, Caustic. You have fun with that. Appreciate you tuning in and enjoy the night shift. We will see you tomorrow, hopefully. Sebasti, hello, y'all. Trading the morning chop. I mean, right now it's definitely looking like chop, but hopefully we can get out of here. I mean, we do have CPI today, so potentially we're going to have a similar London session yesterday, which just ranged. This is the London session yesterday, so if we draw up from, what was it? Like, even if we go from Frankfurt, we did nothing till 6. We didn't go anywhere. We just stayed in that Asia range. So let's hope we get some nice price action today. Good question, Vesupar. How many people have signed up? I actually don't know. I don't know if those numbers will be revealed, but you can expect a fair few. break out the 1 minute consolidation. Let's see what happens after the retest. I mean, the 1 minute time frame in conditions like this isn't as strong. I want to see like solid, like I want to see a sweep of these higher time frame wicks, these swing low points, because I just feel like that's much stronger than taking the 1 minute in times like this. Bushwiggy says, Celine, how about we wager up a 50k lightning? If you are an outlaw, you'll pay up. All right, deal. We'll do it, deal. Bearish till New York opens. All right, that's fair. I mean, you want to see London be that pullback session and then New York the expansion. It has history, looks like it has been doing that for the last few weeks. So you might not be wrong there. Kissed me. I don't really know how to say that one. Lots of liquidity built at highs waiting for the drop to be done. Yeah, there is a lot of liquidity up here. I also see a lot of the liquidity down at these equal lows too. So you can definitely make money on the shorts and the longs. I mean, that goes every day. That's the same way people are making money on the way up and people make money on the way down. So I'm more liking to be on the side of the bulls just because of high time frame bullishness. Yeah, just because we are just closing day after day, new all-time highs made, new bullish daily candle close. Like, to be expecting anything less is a little bit silly here. Amir says, Celine, there might be an SMT happen like yesterday, so watch ES2. Okay, Amir, you are spot on. I'm not going to get done like that again today with the SMT being missed. Okay, I see what you mean, because previous 4-hour low is very close to that sweep here. Let's see what ES and NQ have in store for us today. $1 billion trades at CPI is going to price in shorts, but at first must fake buys out and gather liquidity. I don't know, $1 billion trades. I mean, if you can tell the future, put your trade on, but I'm not trading based on what I think CPI is going to do because, I mean, I'm not a future teller. If I was, I'd be a very rich girl, but I'm not even going to try to attempt to guess what that CPI candle does. And if I did, that would be called gambling the CPI, which we don't do it around here, right? All right. How was everyone's trading yesterday? I mean, did anyone catch any New York? I did not trade the New York session. After that long, I was happy with that and got off, but let me know. Oh, we didn't talk like counts yet. Now I'm surprised no one brought that up yet. So let's do, I think yesterday we did 305. So you know what I'm going to say? I'm going to say 310 to bring Nick on today. And I'm going to do 425 likes to do the first giveaway. The sad thing about yesterday's stream is we didn't get our 2 giveaways out. So potentially if you guys hit the second like target as quick as possible, then we could potentially do a third. I mean, hope Nick's not in the chat, but I'm going to say we can potentially do a third because we didn't get to do 2 yesterday because you guys were slow with those likes. So make sure if you're just joining, smash the like button. We will always do giveaways as long as you guys get those likes up. It's as simple as that. Oh, Bushwick says didn't get the second giveaway on NY stream either. All right, you guys are really slacking. What? And we just passed, not even passed, like we have skyrocketed past 100,000 subscribers. And you guys can't even give us the likes? What do you mean? Make it make sense. And me says, unless proven wrong, I'm bullish every day. It's not a bad take. I was saying to Roman, guys, chat, how about this? I told Roman to join the Grand Cup. Like, of course, okay, he's never traded before, but I think this is the perfect opportunity. If you guys, if you know people that have never traded, I know majority of you watching this stream are traders, but if you have anyone that hasn't traded, I think this is the perfect time to get into trading and just long. I just told Roman, you can just pick a side, buys or sells, and he could end up going really far in this competition. So Roman, I think we got to set you up with an account and get Roman trading the Grand Cup because you guys all better watch out. You know he is that might actually backfire on me because he really is a market maker. Whichever way Roman says for the markets to go, it goes. So actually, that might not be such a good idea. But I think it's great. Grand Cup is such a good opportunity for people that have thought about wanting to try trading, but don't want to put up the money straight away. They want to see how it works first. This is the perfect opportunity. It is free. Grand Cup is free, and there is legitimate money to be won. Amdale says how to participate in the giveaways. By the way, we will do how we run it every day on the stream is the exact same. We do a giveaway form for you to write your details in, and then literally just a YouTube username, and then we will spin a wheel live on stream. To tank a dislike still counts as a like, right? No. And if you're leaving a dislike around here, goodbye. Only thumbs up, please. We don't want any of that other bullshit. Roman Trades has a nice ring. Yes, Roman Trades. We got to start him up a Twitter account too, chat. Suraps has captured another 40 points in ES with hours of holding, taking day off today. Market seems uncertain. Surap, you have been killing it with ES. Is that 90 points within like 2 days? I mean, I'll be taking the week off. Unreal. Cheeseball's first like goal is 310 likes to get Nick on stream, and then 425 to do the first giveaway. So we do 2 like goals from now on, because usually you guys can't get the higher one in the first hour anymore. I don't know why. It used to be easy. All right, we are right now still. We had just come close to that previous 4-hour low, but not exactly. So we've left unintact. I'm not looking for a trade yet for a long, because there has been no sweep. So until there's a sweep, we don't touch this market. Morning, Ariadne. Is that meant to be Adrian? Just spelt funny. Sell or buy, Lila? I am looking for a buy. I'm looking for a long opportunity just based on higher time frame, based on I really like areas of price when we have relatively equal lows put in, like these. You might call it a double bottom, or some people call it different things. But basically when NQ has come down to hasn't quite swept out this low, but made an equal low, those are areas where liquidity has been built, and so we say. And I would expect price to come down to equal lows like this, sweep them out, so trade below this level, and then reverse off. But yeah. Good morning, Radish Gaming. I am Manu Mouse. Says gold has swept. All right, what is gold doing? I'm not gonna lie, I have not looked at gold today. Oh yeah, gold is having that reaction right now. So gold also came down to make. This is the 15-minute. So gold had these equal lows, relatively equal lows, printed below. And let me just see if I give that a color. So we swept below those equal lows, and then that was also a sweep of the previous 4-hour low, and now we are having a reaction at that previous 15-minute low. So that is an area that I like to long from. So I'll keep an eye on gold today. Something different. Maybe I get a gold long in there, but only if I get that 1-minute bullish reaction now. If not, I'm going to be hands off and wait. Week sweeper, yes, it does have alerts for 4-hour sweep. That's another cool thing. So you can go to your alerts, and once you have the indicator, you just click Selenium Trades Model, and then it can alert you. Just press create, and it'll alert you whenever that 4-hour and 15-minute low is swept. Black interval, why is 259 your previous 4-hour low? Wasn't it the last candle of the 4-hour low before that one? Hold on, what? On NQ? My previous 4-hour low on NQ is... Well, let's just go to the 4-hour time frame. The low of this previous 4-hour candle is what I'm talking about. It's 29,260. Is that the level you have, black interval? That's this level here. Hold on. Let me make it bigger. See my circle thing? Where my circle is? 29,260.00 to the tick. Oil is having a double top as well. Interesting. I don't trade oil, guys. This is not the oil stream. But I do watch it from time to time because we are in these conditions right now where oil is having some big moves, but I'm not familiar with how it trades, how it moves, so I'm just not degen enough to just get into an oil trade. But it is interesting to see how commodities are moving in times when we are so controlled and manipulated by what is happening via Twitter, by Trump, by Iran right now in terms of the war. But yeah, we are trading back at 99 on oil, crude oil there, and yeah, ES well and truly above that 29,000 level. So any day now, expect that 30,000 level. Phantom trades. Good morning. Question: when you have a trade in with, let's say, 4 contracts, how do you trim your stop loss without exiting the trade fully? So if you are trading with Tradesy, like you see Nick do on here, it will automatically, if you're in a buy with 4 contracts and you want to get out with partials, so say half, you want to partial it, half the position off. So you would have a sell limit for 2 contracts and then another sell limit, obviously, for another 2 contracts. When price hits that first sell limit, it'll automatically take you out of those 2 contracts, and then your stop loss would change to 2 automatically on Tradesy. Now with Tradeify, I have to manually do that. So I just cancel the order and change my stop loss to be 2. So that's just more of a manual way. Unless there is another automated way on Tradeify how to do it. You guys might know better, but that's just a manual thing that I do. Oh, another reason I like this 4-hour long, the gold long, sorry, is because the 4-hour has swept its previous 4-hour low into a bullish 4-hour gap. So I really like that. Also, 4-hour current candle has no top wick. So I would expect this to be the bottom wick, the manipulation, and then for us to buy all this back up and distribute to the upside to make that top wick. So I actually really like gold right now. I'm going to be watching this for the session. That would classify as the A+ setup. But yeah, need a few things to be checked off before I enter that long. Oh, why are my candles going funny? Amir says, okay, in SMT there's lean. All right, good to know. Good to know, Amir. Thank you for that. But you know what, today, Amir, I am more really focused on this previous day low level, because it's just those equal lows. They look way too clean. These 2 lows here. I would prefer for us to sweep out this level first. So I'm okay not trading off the SMT today. You can mark my words. I will not FOMO. Sarap says 90 points in 2 days sounds like a lot, but I trade with less quantity. I focus on capturing more points. I have a lot of patience when it comes to holding, so yeah, 90 points is just normal. Oh, so that is totally very interesting, because a lot of people, that's previous 4-hour low sweep, but a lot of people on who trade will go for a heavier position and just try capture smaller. Like that's me. Go for the heavier position and try capture a smaller trade and not try to make the entire move and, you know, trade like that, because I know myself as a trader, I'm not as patient as you. So that's really cool. I mean, that's the thing about trading. Everyone's personality is different, and that's why I'm so against just, you know, copying people's trades, because everyone is so different. People need to find out what works for them. And for me, I cannot be the swing trader. Holding a trade for more than even an hour is hard. Sarav says, also my bias is bearish, say we'll just watch the market. No trading today. Fair enough. Fair enough. CPI today. I know some of you just don't trade when we have big days like that. Back interval, yeah, but then it's easier to get stopped out. That is true. Similar to how Nick trades with no stop loss, but he sizes into it. I mean, he leaves his account with enough drawdown so that price can move, so he gives it the room, but he is convinced of the direction. So I mean, there's no reason to have a stop loss in there, and just keep sizing into it. That is another common way people like to trade. But again, it is about how you are as a trader, your personality. Is that emotionally going to affect you without having a stop loss? I know that would destroy me. The more seeing my account drop into drawdown and buying it in those positions. I mean, I know I couldn't deal with that. I can't deal without a stop loss. But yeah, it definitely works though. To each their own. Yes, Petros, Pros, SMT, ES 4-hour low. Yeah, but now we have also had that previous 4-hour low sweep on NQ now as well. So no more SMT there. And gold continuing to drop here. So we didn't get that bullish reaction I was looking for. I wanted a 1 minute inversion there, but we didn't get that. So I'm going to wait now for the new 15-minute candle now to open. Hopefully pop down, sweep out this level, and then buy back up. Because that 4 hour on gold is looking nice for a long. This needs to leave a nice wick in this bullish gap, 4 hour gap here. That would be nice. Marika King, good morning, Slim. Why do we have only 137 likes at 382 watching? What? I had no idea. Thank you, Brandon. Let's have a look. I mean, these guys, Brandon, someone, I don't know what's gone into you all, but we used to smash like 400, 500 likes in the first hour here. And now all of a sudden, you guys are being lazy. So, I mean, I said 310 likes to get Nick on today and 425 to get a giveaway done. The first giveaway, that is. We could potentially do 3 today if you guys want to smash the like button. It's honestly up to you. It is all in your hands, chat. If you want the giveaway, you need to like. Run it up, please, Celine. I got my 100% consistency to 57.2 and 2 trading days, but it shows the data and keeps disappearing. Not sure. Run it up. You will have to reach out to support for that one. Mexican Dance, are we switching to bearish market structure, Celine? Are we? Are we Mexican Dance? I am on the side to think that we aren't shifting here. We are just seeing a bit of a pullback, a sweep to these levels, previous day low level. And then I'm seeing bullish market structure after that. That's what I would hope to see. I don't expect us to dump, especially on a day where we are waiting CPI data release. Mexican Dan says, lol, Celine, it's not chat's fault. You ain't going to improve with that mentality. What? It is totally the chat's fault. The likes, if we're talking about the likes, it is absolutely everyone here is responsible for not getting the giveaway yesterday. The second giveaway, that is. It's all your fault. Volume is really light today so far. Yep. Volume is looking very light today. But nevertheless, we can still catch a trade. If it means we have to wait a little longer, then it is what it is. But, I mean, some days are like this. Adabek, I buy now gold. All right, Adabek. That's funny. If that's your trading style and you want to buy now, you buy now. Black Interval says, yeah, bro, 200 points means we're going to a bearish market when we've pumped 7,000 points. Makes sense, man. I know people see these bearish, like, okay, you can call this a bearish Asia session, a bearish move, but it's so minuscule. Like when you zoom out, it's still nothing. In the grand scheme of things, it's just a pullback, guys. We aren't shifting anything bearish yet. See, this is the 4 hour. We're just having a similar market structure as we did here. A small pullback, you know, tap into these gaps that we left behind on the 4 hour. It's very similar to the price action we're seeing in this block that we saw here. And we aren't slowing down. You know, price isn't just going to go up and up and up forever. We should expect these sort of pullbacks. You know, people, for whatever reason, I mean, we can sit there and theorize why we're getting, you know, the bears come in here, but it's probably just people, you know, realizing some of their gains from this bullish run. And it's just natural price fluctuations in the market. You're never going to see a price just go up and up and up and up without these few bearish candles, even when we're significantly bullish here. So, yeah, these areas of price where I've just marked out with this box is just part of what we're seeing here. You know, pullback, pump, pullback, consolidation, pump, pullback, consolidation. So you guys are going to guess probably that exactly what I'm thinking is that we do this, and then we do something like this again, pullback, consolidation, and then this. Something like that. Anyway, makes sense. Brian says, if I can jump on and like the stream in the middle of work, the rest of these bums watching have no excuse not to hit the thumbs up. Guys, you heard it. You heard it from the Marika King himself. He is at work, and yet Brandon is on the stream smashing the like button, so you guys have no excuse. Thank you, Brandon. Favorite student. Looks like we got a really nice 4-hour FVG below previous day low on NQ, because I know we definitely have a nice one on gold. Yes, we do on NQ also. Well, let me get rid of these squares now because that's not going to be nice. Yeah, we do. We have already tapped into it, but nevertheless, it's okay to retrace back into a gap that has already been tapped. Let me label that as the 4-hour so we remember. But yeah, this is also a 4-hour gap, so it is totally fine for us to draw back into this gap as long as we're respecting and holding the midpoint of this. I would expect bullish price action any day. Leia says, Celine, finally I made it. Hell yeah, Leia, you're here for the first hour. Trader of tomorrow, and when everyone is thinking that price is going to the moon, then price goes to hell. Something like that. You can never be sure. Like, I'm sitting here saying that, you know, oh, it has to do, it doesn't have to do any of that. I am not a fortune teller. If I was, like I said before, I would be a very rich girl. But that's not the case. I can only analyze and predict what I think it's going to do, and at the end of the day, NQ is going to move wherever it wants. And that's important. Like, you can't be married to a certain bias in trading. It will catch you out every time. And being married to a bias can blow accounts easily because you're just so sure it has to go up now. It has to go up now. It's like in roulette. It is like in gambling, you know, oh, because it's gone black. Okay, it has to go black again. It has to go black again because it has to follow a certain pattern. It's not the case. Let me tell you, I've lost money on roulette countless times. Leia says, raining cats and dogs, nightmare to walk with the kids and drop my tear off at school. Oh, no. Good luck with that, Leia. But I appreciate you being on stream. Lila says, yo, y'all better like the stream. I'm trying to win an eval. I lost my funds at account yesterday. Damn it, Lila. What happened? Was it all in one trade? Or was it slowly a slow burn? Trader of tomorrow. Yes, you're right, Celine. This is just about statistics. We don't do prediction. Nope. This is not prediction. I wish. Prediction markets are a whole nother thing. Diamonds, yeah. I love the deep pullback, fill the gaps at the order block. That's where I like to take buys after more than 61.8 is my fave, at least 75%. Oh yeah, so talking about fib levels when in terms of retracement, that is something that a lot of people use. I know I sometimes, if there is no market structure, like no swing points or gaps, I sometimes will draw a fib from, say this is just like a huge bullish run without any pullbacks, and then look to the midpoint or even, yeah, the golden pocket levels to see, okay, where is a potential area of price we could draw into if there's no FVGs. If there is, then I like to use the FVGs as the area of price I expect us to pull back into. And double bonus if it lines up with the midpoint, 50% of the leg. So you are a DJ and gambler, Celine? I never said that. I never said I was a DJ and gambler. I said I have gambled. I've been to the casino, yes. But I'm not as bad as some Sputnik. Arj Plumber, could you tell me what indicator you're using? I can't see the levels you're marking on my phone screen. Thanks. Okay. These are the indicators. Indicator 1, sessions and key levels is the first one. We go through this every day. I feel so sorry for the guys that tune in every day and have to go through this. Like I said, when I finally get my trading set up, I will have in the back in LED the sessions and key levels indicator written there, so you guys can ask. But this is it. I use the second one here, sessions and key levels by Script Edge. That will print all the lines on the screen that you're seeing now. Daily open, Asia high, Asia low, current day's low, previous day high. They're all from that indicator, as well as the highlight of the session, this Asia session here that I've made it from 8 to midnight because that's my kill zone hours. But you guys can do whatever you want with that. You can adjust the time frame of your sessions and all that good stuff. And then just my other indicator that just more looks at the 4 hour, the 15. But yeah. gold buy. Ooh, did I miss the gold buys, chat? No, never got that sweep. Not a setup for me unless there's that sweep action here at that previous 15-minute low level. But we didn't get that reaction, so I'm waiting. Damn. Looks good though. Looks good for the bulls there on gold. Morella, hi, I'm new here. Good morning. What trading system do you use? Good morning, Morella. Welcome to Tradeify TV. Glad you found us. Now, I use a reversal model of trading. So I'm a trader who likes to see price sweep key levels. So for example, previous 4 hour low, Asia low levels, and then look for the long off that. That's my model of trading. A lot of people in the chat here though will trade different systems, and so every day people will be in trades in different at different times. But for me myself, I trade a reversal using NQ only, and sometimes gold, but mainly NQ. Strap said Spud is an ambassador of gambling paradise. That he is. Edge Arbiter, I hypnotized Spudnik to gamble on both Friday and Monday. He made money on both days. Now I'm giving you the chat, Celine. No, thank you. No, thank you. I'll leave the gambling to the potato. Gold did sweep the opening gap. Gold has swept, definitely has swept, but I'm looking for a reaction at the previous 15-minute low. That's the model I trade. And we did retrace heavily into, look at this 4 hour. This is going to be so nice. I need to get into a long on gold today, just saying. Because these are the hourly gaps, but we're also right now in a 4 hour bullish gap. So this 4 hour current candle has no bottom wick. So you can expect, again, we're not predicting, but you could see something like, we opened, accumulated. This is the manipulation. We've swept out a key level, tapped into a bullish gap, picked up orders, and now we're just going to buy to make the rest of this bullish candle flip bullish. That's what I'd like to see on gold. It's not gambling if you win. Sure, I mean, you can tell yourself that, but it's kind of not the case. Now we're very close to that Asia low previous day low level, so I'm not taking anything on NQ unless those levels are swept today. Trader of tomorrow. Let's suppose that I'm a professional trader. Is there a way to join your team at Tradeify, like presenting a live like you do? I mean, you can always submit an application in for sure. Trader of tomorrow, absolutely. MGC is dipping, time to get in. Oh yeah, I'm looking for a GC long today. I really like it. How do we sign up for the evaluation giveaway? Anna, you will need to join the giveaway. Once we hit the like goals, Nick will send a giveaway form in the comment section. So just keep an eye out and you'll just have to fill that in. Later on in the stream though, we need to hit the like goal first. Leo Grossman. I always love saying that name. Grossman. I'm in Rhodes now watching the live from a hotel with the sea view. Oh my gosh, that sounds amazing. I've never been to Rhodes, but I'm sure it's beautiful there. Wow. To be trading with a sea view, that sounds like my absolute dream. I can't wait to get to Greece. Trader of tomorrow, thank you and wish you a good day. Wish you a good day too, Trader of tomorrow. Wish it a profitable good day. Kyle says it's been so dangerous for me though, just FYI. Wait, where's the context? Did he say something else? Oh, scaling in. I mean, Kyle, it's not how I'd like to trade usually. Not that I have like scaled in a couple times recently. I'm just more not as familiar with it. There is nothing wrong with scaling into positions, especially if you're a more advanced professional trader, I guess. But for me, I'm not at that level yet where I feel like adding more risk into a position, especially when it's losing. Leia, I just hit 100 tick profit on one account, 99.87 to 99.97 on CL. Hell yeah, Leia. You are the queen of oil. I have never touched oil. That is your baby. You kill it, Leia. Hit the like button. Yes, Southern Boy, hit the like button. Absolutely. Peter from Chicago, beef. Is she like sweet potatoes? No, we don't have beef, chat. There is no beef. Cian, why do you trade a growth account and not a select account? Just personal preference of the eval stage. I think for me, I just prefer to pass it in one go and get straight to the funded stage. But I know the select has so many great things to offer in terms of payouts. Daily payouts is one of them. But to each their own. There are accounts there for every single type of trader. So yeah, that one is a personal preference. To-do says currently down on my funded account, getting it back up to green this week. Let's go, To-do. You got this. This is the week you bring that funded account back. Do the work, be disciplined, and you will get there. We have all been in a red eval stage. Oh no, it's a funded. We have all been there in a funded red stage for sure. Leader, CEO says big drop coming. Potentially. I don't want to see it more like dump much lower. Like I do want to see Asia low, previous day low swept on NQ, but I want to buy off those levels. Like I really don't want to see this market dump. Leia said, I passed an eval yesterday. Woo! Let's go, Leia. Currently funded on 4 accounts. Hell yeah. Trying to just stay focused on the process and not think of profits and payouts. That is the way. Leia knows, guys. That is exactly, you got to focus. It's what they say. Focus on the process, not the outcome. And that is the way you will get there faster. Although it feels slower at the time, trust me, your consistency will build up. It's the best way to go about trading. Focus on the process. Harinda Kang, thank you. We are Tradeify is just, I don't know. We're to the moon. Let's just say that. Tradeify TV to the moon. All right, we are tapping into that 4-hour bullish gap on NQ here. So we just tapped into that. That gray box is the gap. The high of the gap there is 29,237.75 is the high of that gap. So we're just in there, but I want a little bit more. I want to see previous day low and Asia low swept before I get involved. Moonlight passed an eval yesterday, blew it the very same day. Okay. Passed another eval today and have 1K floating profits in shorts right now. And just like that, reality can completely flip on its head for you. So W's to you for your, whatever happened yesterday in your accounts, it's happened. But I love that you just got back in, you focused on your setup, your process, and now you're up, you're green, floating 1K. Like, I'd be peeling off profits soon. Depends what account size you're in. Like, I don't know what's good enough for you in a funded, but I'd be happy with taking 1,000 in any size, really. But well done. Just for fun, big dump might be coming. All right, a lot of you are bet. Let's see what Roman, do we have the poll results? What did you guys say? Bullish or bearish? Damn it, where did that poll go? Roman, we might have to get another poll in here. Can we do one to ask the chat whether they're bullish or bearish? Just to see where everyone is. Oh, Roman says the poll is still going, but for some reason I can't see it. Okay. So soon we'll get the results. That poll is still out there. Lila got funded twice, still no payout yet. You just got to focus on the process. Let me tell you, do not focus on what you see online. It is not as quick. When you see someone get a payout, they worked a lot to get to that stage. As easy as they make it look, it's not easy. It's not easy to stay consistent. So just to be to the funded stage, not a lot of people can even get to that. So do remember where you're at in your trading is all individual. Everyone's journey in trading is unique. And just don't compare yourself. You will get to that payout. Just stay consistent. You've done all the work to get funded is what I say. So you know what you're doing. You just gotta keep at it. All right, so bulls. We've got 54% bullish and 46% bearish. So that's telling me there's a little bit of uncertainty here in the chat. Now I'm feeling a little bit, you know, a little bit nervous to take trades. I hate when we're like that. We want to just see it like, you know, 90% bullish, 10% bears. Like, all right, we're just going to long today. But when the chat is a bit indecisive like this, it's never a good sign. Timo says, it would not be strange if the market dumps after a 6,000 point rally in just a few weeks. Oh, for real. Timo, I do expect when the bears come out finally, like whether that's based on news or just like whatever, but I just hope I'm in there to ride the bears to the ground, because I think it will be a strong bearish drop just to correct a little bit. But I mean, just don't know when that's going to happen, but potentially we could see a big drop. Easy Games, good morning, Celine. How was your day so far? My day was all right, thank you. 1 hour primed for a dump, says Shoneg Latte. Some of these usernames are just a little bit confusing for me to pronounce. But I mean, 1 hour here. I mean, for me, it's definitely bearish right now, but I'm more interested in seeing this 4 hour. I want to see what this 4 hour does. Waiting for these key levels. We're just very close there. Potentially it's going to be a London volume that comes in and sweeps at that level, and that's fine. Patience is a virtue. What do they say? You just got to stay patient. There's no need for me to just be pressing buy here because I can't wait for these lows to be swept. We're so close. Sarab says, told you, Celine, market is uncertain. For some, it's bullish. For some, the other way around. But I think it's just a deeper pullback. I am on that side with you, Sarab. I think this is just a little bit of a pullback here. Nothing that screams bears to me at all. I don't know why it would. Why people think this is a bearish market right now. I mean, if you're looking at the 1 minute, okay. Yes, we are making lower lows here, but zoom out, guys. Tiak J says, let's wait for London. I will wait for price. I'm not going to put a time on it, but it's looking like in the next 10 minutes, London will open, and maybe that's when we get the sweep. But if it wants a sweep in the next minute, I'm down. Just want to get that sweep. Kwang Chu says, but too many ICT traders will anticipate reversals after sweeping the previous day low. A lot of ICT traders getting wrecked after trying to find reversals off sweeping the previous day high. I mean, the thing is, it's sometimes going to work. This goes for every strategy. No one is 100% win rate trader. There is no one out there. Like, guarantee you. So, yes, some people are going to be losing, shorting that previous day high sweep. But some days they're going to be banking. I mean, how much are you willing to risk? I mean, that's when it comes into risk management. How are you taking your losses? Making sure your wins are always bigger than your losses is the way to stay profitable. Because, of course, yes, some days it's not going to work. ICT never claimed his concepts to be 100% win rate. But I'm just saying, as a trader who trades ICT concepts, they do work some of the time. And you just need to be making the most and capitalizing out of those on those days. Good morning, M&Qs. I'm good. How are you? Well, I'll be better if we get the likes up, actually. I'm good, but I'll be great if I get a check on the likes here. Let's see. What are we at? So, literally over 500 of you here right now. Hello to you all. Good morning. Now, let's get down to business because I need 310 likes to bring Nick on, and that's very soon. I mean, we have just about 10 minutes before Nick should be joining us when London is about to open. And in that time, you guys need to, it's not that bad, 60 more likes. I think you can do it. But to get the first giveaway out of the way, we need 425 likes. So that's looking a little bit more sad. I mean, sad for you guys because we want to give you an account, but if you can't get there, then it is what it is. So make sure if you're just joining, good morning to you all. Thank you. Appreciate you being here nice and early. Smash the like button. Rista says, have you traded CPI before or after CPI? Let's just say I have traded CPI on CPI on the actual minute. Rias, good morning. Kwong says, no, Celine, I'm talking about the waiting for the bearish drops. It's better to wait for price to actually trade below previous day low statistically for some correction. Right. Okay. Yeah. So you're saying some people get in early before those key levels are swept? I mean, I'm not one of them. I definitely need, for my model anyway, I need to see the sweep. Otherwise, I'm not convinced of the reversal. Teg says, just came on and liked the stream right away. Good morning, everyone. Amazing work. That's exactly what we need. We need that kind of attitude around here, guys. Everyone needs to be like, what's his name? Teg Singh. Come in, get cozy. We're going to be trading together for the next 3 hours. So, get comfy, but like the stream as soon as you're here. Good morning, Mamor. Now, guys who are in shorts, where are you targeting right now? Because this has been a significant drop. And I'm hoping to catch a long reversal play out of here. So don't really want to be fading the chat today. So where are you guys taking your TPs? I mean, keep in mind that we do have Asia Low sitting down there very close now. You would have already, I'm sure, taken some profits on these shorts. Mo, morning, Celine. How should we prank Nick today? Mo, I will leave that to you because it looks like I can't prank Nick. He will just find out just based on my face and me laughing. I can't do it. I'm just a terrible pranker. But Mo, if you want to try get him in the chat today, I mean, go ahead. By all means, I'm down for it. Dumpit, says Cheeseballs. Diamonds, yeah, I want to close below the area you want to be swept. I'm trailing, not taking partials. Oh, okay. Well, hopefully, I mean, I hope it gets down there and then I can get into longs. But you're expecting a deeper move? We'll soon find out. Boring Day Trader is 29,200 as the target. Interesting. That is quite deep into this 4-hour gap. I wonder if we get all the way down there. Trailing 29,175-ish. Right, so you guys are thinking we go way lower right now. Cheeseballs need 29,200 for a payout. Pray for me, Celine. I need your energy. All right, Cheeseballs, you got this. I hope it goes down there. I mean, I will try long once it sweeps previous day low, but I hope it still goes down there. For your sake. And if it goes down there, you're going to share a bit of that payout with me since I made price go down there for you? Teehee. Marissa's going to need your help, Celine. I'll give you the signal and you make him read my message. The signal will be Mockingbird. Okay, done. I love the signal. This is getting so intense. Mockingbird sounds like this is going to be a good prank. Remy, I'm not even going to read your full username there, but Remy says, good morning, Celine. I hope you are well. I'm looking for shorts right now. Cool. I mean, the shorts have played out. The shorts have definitely been playing out for the last couple of hours, but I'm expecting to see this market reverse at some point very soon. So I am at the moment looking for a long at some point, while also keeping an eye on gold for a long. Marcos, good morning, Celine. Good morning, Celine's plant, and good morning, all. Well, Celine's plant has a name, okay? You guys have clearly forgotten. Celine's plant has an important name. Actually, does anyone remember what we named it? We named it together. I want to see. Let's see who the real OGs are. Who remembers the name I gave my plant? Like literally only this week or last week, maybe. Liban, it says, Slim, please check GC. I'm on GC. GC is this chart to the right is GC. We have got a super previous 15-minute low, but I haven't had the 1 minute bullish reaction that I'm looking for. So hence why I have not taken a trade. DAC. Let's go, Brandon. Brandon got it first. Yes, the plant is called DAC. So if anyone is referring to my plant, he must call it by his name. It's a guy now. I just made him a guy. Sam says, I wonder what the guy behind the curtain is going now. Lol, he is. I left that guy in Bali. Yeah, Marcos, you were not here, or you just weren't listening. Simple. Not good enough, Marcos. Previous daily done. All right, yes, guys, we have just had that sweep of previous day low, which means we are now trading in this bullish daily gap. This was an area of price I wanted to see swept and have a reaction to right now. So I'm waiting now for a long. Interesting, because we are about to have London Open, so maybe it's the London Open play. But just created a new day's low here. That low is 29,221 to the tick. And yeah, Asia low sweep, previous day low sweep. So it's looking good now. It's looking good. Gonna hopefully get along in the session today now. Let's see what we get. I'm going to check on the likes because in any minute now we're going to be joined by the dictator himself. Let's see. 309. Okay, what did I say? Did I say 310 or 315? I think 310. I'll give it to you. All right, likes have been smashed, so we're definitely getting the dictator on here. But we need 425 to do the first giveaway. So make sure you continue to leave a like here on the stream. If you're just joining, welcome. We're going to do our first giveaway as soon as we get 425 likes. All right, cheese balls. I hope you get that payout. That, like, Enki was dropping there. What did he say he needed? 200? 29,200 for cheese balls to get his payout. 15 points away. That's a new day's low as well right now. We are just dropping here on NQ. Which is fine. We're not in some... Like, this pullback right now isn't in some bearish market trend. We are still heavily bullish. And we're just retracing into areas of price that you would expect this bullish gap, for example, on the 4-hour to hold. And the daily also to hold. So it's fine. I'm happy with this price action. I will still look for a long here. Let's see. Let's see. Mark Angelo, are you going to be one of the outlaws for the tournament? No. No. I'm not, sadly. But maybe Roman is. Maybe it's going to be Roman. You guys never know. I don't know why you're all guessing me. Hi, Celine. Long at 29,200. All right, hell yeah. Oh, we got I am Nick Metzger in the chat. He says the 1 micro mission has started. I'm long. Hell yeah. Nick, I'm looking for a long as we speak. So today's going to be a day where we trade the same way. I don't know if that's a good thing or not, but I'm definitely looking for a long here, Nick. I like it. And get on stream. He's late, chat. We got 1 minute to bring him on. Actually, let me get his intro out. Intro coming. All right, intro is ready for Nick. He's too busy in the chat and... Oh, there he is. All right, chat. He's here. He's here earlier. Can't give him shit. He's still... Oh, he even had time to write. I'm not late, never. All right, he's here. That is true. Got to give it to him. It's time, chat. It's that time of the day where I can introduce you to the whitey wearing, head never moving, GP trading, biohacking, mutual catching, stay with ketchup abusing, soundboard trolling, intro creating, KFC hating, Five Guys loving, paddle playing, tennis playing, squash playing, water guzzling, chat banning, skydiving, shark swimming, parkour champion, seven mango sushi loving, switch battle winning, super slippery sock walking, accent king, definitely not CPI full potting, no prep marathon running, dictator, deep sea strategy inventing, once baited, twice defeated, Mario Kart playing, the one and only Nicholas Wickle.
Oh man, I'm always hyped. Like I hear this intro, I'm like, oh fuck yeah, so cool, yeah. And then it's like twice Mario Kart defeated. I'm like,
Every day until you reclaim that championship, it's gonna be the same. But good morning.
Well, anyways, good morning, everybody. Good morning, Celine. Good morning, Roman. Hope you're all doing well. You know the drill. Put that one in the chat if you are ready for today. Put a one in the chat if you love Tradeify TV. Put a one in the chat if you think 105,000 subs looks pretty fucking good on this channel. Put a one in the chat if you think my one micro mission here is gonna absolutely bank. And put a big fat one in the chat if you think Celine absolutely crushes it with the solo hour every single day. Hey, did you take any trades yet?
Not yet, but I am eyeing up along here, waiting for the 1 minute.
Roman, then let's go to my screen because I am in a trade. We are in longs, so let's see.
Yeah.
Let's see what kind of damage we can do with this one.
Hey, the longs yesterday paid. I mean, we were in those longs from the London session.
Yeah,
it was a nice trade yesterday.
Took more longs during the New York session as well. So
hell yeah,
it was good.
Nice.
All right, I see lots of ones in the chat. Ah, damn you, Brandon. Get out of here, man.
We'll see this Friday if Nick can reclaim his title. But Brandon, that's 2 weeks in a row, so I don't know.
Leia is running a big mouth here, saying maybe 3 times defeated soon. Leia, you don't get to talk here. Like
that's true.
When it comes, you get to talk regarding everything, of course, but when it comes to Mario Kart, Leia, zip it. Just zip it.
You know, you can talk all you want about oil, Leia, though.
You know what? By the way, Jonathan, I found a solution because every single time I read your name, I'm like, nah. I found a solution. I'm just gonna call you Remy from now on. You're just gonna be
is that
Remy.
Jonathan?
You didn't know?
I must have forgotten. Wait, I was like to him today, I'm just gonna call you Remy, but I didn't realize it was Jonathan. What the hell?
But you didn't read out his name, right?
No. That's why I said, I'm just gonna call this person Remy. But can Jonathan, just change your profile picture so I remember that it's you?
Yeah, just change your profile pic back. You can't change your username yet, I know that, but your profile pic you can.
What the hell?
Nah, cheese balls. I've known for a couple of days already. I saw it immediately. I really realized immediately when he changed it. Good morning, Ursula. Leia says just saying Brandon is taking the next one. Damn, Leia. You don't believe in me? Wow.
Should we? I mean, Brandon's been kicking your ass. Brandon every week is getting lining up a new account, every Friday. It looks like we almost might have to ban Brandon from entering.
Fucking Brandon. I don't know.
Who are still holding the sales? Did everyone take profit? Yeah, interested to know you guys who are in shorts, because Nick, a lot of these guys were in shorts from Asia at 9 p.m. In shorts? I mean,
it's so cold in Switzerland. There's no way you're gonna wear shorts right now.
Oh, shut up. Typical dad joke. Typical dad joke. But guys, for real, are you thinking about taking TP at any point? I mean, we are pretty low here on NQ. This is a deep
long, so
you guys better get out now. Quick while you can.
Well, Brandon, no. The answer is no. You can never retire, okay? Never, ever. Keep in mind, Brandon. Overall, I've won more races against you than you against me. However, on the tracks where we fucked up, I fucked up worse than you did. And that's why you won twice. I keep stats here.
Nick, don't even try to make this...
Overall races, I've won more. So, just saying.
Brandon, I wouldn't take that if I was you.
Big mouth. You can have it right now. You're the king. I gotta give you that.
What the hell, Nick? You're the loser fair and square. Don't even try to make it sound better.
He's the king right now, but overall stats, I've won more races than he has. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind.
You best believe Nick is keeping stats on Mario Kart. That is just typical Nick. Oh my god. I'm going to have to start keeping stats myself, guys. I might have to be the judge around here because I don't even know if his stat taking is the truth. I don't know. Brandon says pretty sure we've both won 4 races.
No.
Mario Kart journal. Yeah, I might have to start keeping a Mario Kart journal.
Everybody's saying like, Nick don't be a poor sport, Nick being a 5-year-old. I'm just saying, I said Brandon is the king right now, undeniably. He won fair and square. That's what I've always been saying. However, we also got to look at the stats. So we'll see. We'll see.
By the way, good morning, Kiz, and a big happy birthday shout out to her son Patrick. He's celebrating his 5th birthday today. Happy birthday,
Patrick! What up, legend? Speaking of Patrick, where's Pancake Patty?
Did he leave us? Like, he just doesn't rock up anymore.
Sure looks like it. Sure.
Is he there in New York session? Or did we lose him?
I haven't seen him in forever.
Patty.
Pancake Patty is just gone, you know?
Sad.
He's like, nope, I'm out of here.
Too busy making pancakes and shit.
Yeah, for real. For real.
Cheesewills, which account do you want? After I get a payout, I'll buy you a small eval if you wish. Haha, was fun. Okay, I don't know what's going on here, but Cheesewills, I don't need an account. Thank you, but no. As much as Nick says, I don't have the money to pay up. I got the money to pay up, don't worry.
So then why don't you pay up?
I will pay up when I feel like paying up.
Did she just get caught red-handed there?
No.
Sure looks like it. Huh? Sure looks like it.
Sudup says, does Nick Tater always long the London session? He was in longs yesterday as well.
Yes.
Maybe this is part of the strat, guys. Maybe he's
sometimes, to be fair, sometimes I do take sells, but rarely. Okay, thank you. Are you giving me more opportunities to add longs? Is that what you're doing?
We're getting very low here. I think Cheeseballs was very close to a payout if we dropped to 29,200. So Cheeseballs, let us know if you ended up securing those profits now, because I think he said 29,200 was his level.
Okay.
Is it payout Tuesday? Payout Tuesday?
Looks like it. Looks like it. You know, the chart just going to do this. And we're fine.
Exactly that. What the hell? How did you do that?
Magic. Now, if you hit Option I, like click Option I on TradingView or Trade C.
Oh, what the hell? That's cool. There's a funny guy. He says, Jam NQ says, Celine, I'm being very serious. What will it take for me to get a free Tradeify account as an Aussie brother? Well, Aussie brother, I wish it worked like that, but you're in line with the rest of this gang. Everyone is an equal here at Tradeify TV, and you'll just have to join the giveaway. Lol.
Facts. The good news says, Nick, add to the buy and let's pump it. Not yet. It's too early. We're only down 30 points. This is not the place to add. This is not the place to add.
Oh, Syrup says it'll be fun to watch Nick the Big Bull versus Miriam the Great Bear at Grand Cup. That would be an interesting matchup. Hey,
I mean,
we'll see.
We are next to each other here, so.
Oh.
I mean,
potential lineup.
Who knows? Today we're going to reveal, I think, 2 more outlaws. This one that I'm still 100% sure it's Celine, and this one to the right. So.
No, Nick, because I would be wearing a cowboy hat. There's just no way.
Well, apparently you're not, as we can see here. But.
Oh boy.
We'll know more soon. We will know more soon.
Nick Fan Club says, are you short, Celine? I am not short. Nope.
Well, not in trades.
Is he asking for my height?
I don't know.
That is so
mean. They've been asking all kinds of things, so who knows, right?
Well, I honestly don't know 100% my height based on 100, like in terms of centimeters and foot, but I'm sort of like, I think 5'6". I think that's what it is. Uh-huh. Guys, I don't understand how you can see me as a silhouette. How? Like, Tyrannic says one of the silhouettes looks like Celine. Like, how can you base it on a silhouette?
This one, it clearly looks like you.
Does it? Like, I don't even know.
It's like you. Like
this. Like that, Nick.
What?
We'll see. I really want to know who that is.
Aditya says, "Morning, Mick." What do you mean? Who's Mick?
The Mictator.
The Mictator. Bruh.
Nick fan club 5'1". Are you like? No, I'm not Miriam. No, I am a little bit taller than Miriam. Just a little bit. Oh, hell yeah. Roman put a poll in there. Will Nick nail his long? Yes.
Damn, the Roman is on these polls. That's crazy. That's crazy. Okay, 50-50 so far. People do not believe, huh? Watch how the poll changes while price goes up. See?
Yeah. Yeah, look.
It just went from 45.55 to 63.37. Funny. One green candle changed everything.
Oh boy.
Cyan, yes, I do like Tradeify better. That is correct.
Cheeseball says, I am all for you guys after the payout trade. I'm letting it be for today. Hell yeah, Cheeseballs. Lock in that payout and just chill. Best feeling ever. Maybe get a pizza or something. You know, go and reward yourself.
Little pizza.
Little pizza.
Roman's like a kid with a new toy, says Mo.
Hey, Nick, don't you think this is the best idea ever? Roman needs to join Grand Cup. I was telling him before. I said, Roman, you need to...
Who says he's not?
Well, I mean, he could be lying to me, Roman. Are you lying? But,
Roman, die sluiten am Lügen. Huh? Dat is niet goed.
Maybe he's already in. Who knows? Maybe he's an outlaw and I'm just stupid.
Are these longs gonna print or what?
Oh yeah.
Let's find out. Split Striker says 3 times 50k e-box passed. Let's go. Hey, fire, man.
Hell yeah.
Congratulations.
And Marco says, beautiful bullish candle on a 3-minute chart. Ducky might pump. Ducky might pump indeed. Waiting patiently here.
Ursula CPI today. What are you expecting? Bullish or bearish? Honestly, at this point, I don't even know anymore. What the heck? An Australian woman asked me for pineapple and pine nuts on her pizza. I almost fainted. Okay. Weird.
Pineapple and pine nuts. Weird.
Leonard says, Nick, I got myself a Switch and Mario Kart. Hell yeah, man. Get ready for the battle on Friday.
This stream gets very competitive. I like it though. Wait till I can jump on Mario Kart with you guys in a month. You just wait.
Look at the poll. It's exactly what I said. I said one green candle is going to change. Now suddenly the poll went from 35% yes to 63% yes. You guys are
Look at them all.
Seeing one green candle, you're like, oh yeah, Nick's Longs is going to print. However, when it was down here, I only heard the negatives now.
Yeah. As they do, as they were exactly like that yesterday when I was in that second long. Like, Celine's DJing, get out of the trade. Celine, just shut down your computer. And then Celine banked on an 80-point long, huh? Then where is everyone now? So, you know.
Hey, a little shout out here to the one and only legend Inizio, who says, good morning, King Nick and C Money. Cannot wait for the Grand Cup next week. Inizio is always positive. Always comes to the stream, always supports, always positive. Inizio, you are a legend, sir.
Yes. Sarah, madame. Are we sure?
Confirmed legend status.
But is it Sir or Madame? That's the question.
What's that?
Sir or Madame? Madame Enicio?
Are you
Oh,
Amista? Or Amistas? No, I know it's Amista.
What a legend.
Celine, tomorrow is the day. Tomorrow is the day.
Tomorrow?
Mm-hmm.
What's tomorrow? Oh, tomorrow is the day.
Remember the video I sent you?
Yeah. Tomorrow is the day.
Tomorrow is the day.
I need the reaction video. Do you need to get the reaction? Will you be there?
No.
You're just gonna send?
Yep. I'm just gonna send it.
I'm not gonna say too much because someone could be in the chat. No, don't say
anything. Just...
Yeah. But yeah, tomorrow is the day.
Tomorrow is the day. We'll tell you tomorrow, chat. Yeah. So look, does Nick ask her about the lunch today? She's ignoring me.
Oh. Okay. Well, you guys want to know?
What do you have for lunch? And why are you ignoring Suriluki?
My bad, Suriluki. You always take it so personally, but maybe I just didn't read your comment. All right, so I had a nice grilled chicken breast. Like, I can do chicken breast really nice. It's like soft, juicy, grilled chicken breast, avocado, and sweet potatoes. That's been my go-to the last few days. It's quick, it's healthy, has good fats, good protein, you know?
True.
Carbs.
True.
It's got it all.
Can't argue with that.
But yeah. Tiag J's, are you long, Celine? No, I'm not. I'm not in these longs yet.
No longs for Celine. No.
Not yet. But look at that reaction. I really like that we swept out previous day low. I'm just going to go NQ here real quick. This is the level I was looking at to get swept out. These two equal lows, that Asia low that had been put in and that previous day low level, were way too close, looking way too clean. So liking that we came down here, swept out that level, and having a nice bullish reaction to that there. Very nice NQ. But just for me, I'm waiting for... Yeah, I need a sweep of the 15-minute low first. Let's see. PR trick. I'm the master of fried chicken livers. Ugh.
Yeah, sounds disgusting.
Chicken livers.
12 back. Do I need NTA to trade the Grand Cup? No, not at all.
What is Leia talking about? What did Stereo say? Should I agree with Stereo? Selena's going to do something real bad today because she becomes an outlaw tomorrow. What
the fuck?
I have no idea what you guys are talking about. You're all like theorizing. And I'm trying to see. Oh, Stereo, he said tomorrow Selene becomes an outlaw. No, guys. I swear it's not the case. I love the conspiracies, but it's just like, it's just not the truth. You know, I wouldn't lie to you. Why are you lying?
Why are you lying? Celine, what was the giveaway goal?
Oh, 425 for the first giveaway. What are we at?
40 likes more. 40 more likes.
Okay.
Come on, chat. Do the work. Do the work.
Do the work. Lila says, are you on the 1 minute or the 5 minute? Nick is on the 5 minute.
Yes.
I am the 1 minute trader around here. You're crazy.
Well, everybody is except me. Miriam trades the 1 minute. Spotty trades the 1 minute. You trade the 1 minute. I don't know about the others. But...
Why don't you jump on the bandwagon?
Well, I did trade the 1 minute for a very long time, but after switching to the 5 minute, I realized 1 minute is just chaotic as fuck. Fakes you out left and right. There's no way I'm ever going to go back to the 1 minute.
Yeah, you're not wrong there. I actually like that this is a 5 minute inversion. So I have a buy limit at the 5 minute inversion for value gap now. 29,21650. Just gonna see if we can come back and fill me in.
Joining my longs.
Joining the longs, yes, because I don't think we're gonna sweep that 15-minute low now. It's gone too far.
Gone too far.
But the 5-minute inversion is still valid, and I actually like it better than a 1-minute inversion because it's a higher time frame inversion. It's a lot stronger. Before the chat goes.
All right.
Cameron, I prefer 3-minute over 1 minute. Tara, I'm 15-minute. Oh, so you guys all trade different things as well. Okay.
Terry says, later guys, my country sucks. No electricity now. Damn.
Oh, okay. What happened? Where do you live?
Put a generator.
As in, like, there's a power outage, or does the electricity just stop at a certain time?
Probably a power outage.
I don't want to, like, just assume. Celine Fan Club says, Celine, you cast a spell on me. Every time I think you can be more beautiful than this, and every day instead you amaze me. I love having Celine Fan Club in the chat. Even if I'm having a shitty day, Celine Fan Club, you're just going to always make my day with those comments. So thank you. I appreciate you.
Celine Fan Club is rocking this and fully embracing the fan club role.
Love it.
Tom Raider says, I watched the 5-minute on Tradeify and the 1-minute on TradingView to get more data. Well, you do you. I don't, and I won't. Sign, Nick, do you live in the French side of Switzerland? No, thank God, no.
Oh.
I actually get to call myself a Swiss and not a French.
Oh shit. Chat, don't go there. Don't go there with the Swiss chat. They're very very heated.
Well,
what about the Italian side, Nick?
No, they're fine. They're fine.
Huh.
You know, I recently saw a video from a Swiss guy. He's like a Swiss comedian, and he says, "Look, nobody has perfected racism as well as the Swiss, because in Switzerland, everybody who's not Swiss is just not at the same level. You know, it's like it doesn't matter where you come from. It doesn't matter what you look like. If you're not Swiss, you're just not Swiss. So it's like perfection.
Shit.
You know?
Shit.
I had to laugh real hard. That was a good one. He's right though. It's literally everybody's just. It's just.
Where am I Swiss? Where am I?
It doesn't matter where you come from. You're just an immigrant.
Where are my Swiss French people in the chat?
Well,
it's getting you guys fired up.
The Swiss French, they're just, they're just French.
Okay, interesting though. Like, if you go way back, where did your family originate from though? Who is the original Swiss?
Let me think. So,
they're not Germanic?
No.
The Swiss? They didn't.
Well, if you go way back.
Hell no.
If you go way back, maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, way back.
Too long ago, It's like.
Oh, it doesn't matter now, right?
No,
it doesn't matter.
Think about it this way. If you have a glass of water with like dirty water in it, like super muddy, it's brown, it's ugly, you wouldn't drink it, right? If you take that glass and you put it under the tap and you run the water, over time it's going to clear out, right? And over time you're going to have a fresh glass of water because it's that long ago.
Cleaning the blood, the bloodline.
Exactly.
Yeah, I hear what you mean. I hear you. Like if you go way back, like the Australians are originally the British, like they are the British convicts. They came to Australia and populated there. So there's no such thing as like an Australian if you go way back. But with the Swiss,
I don't know.
If you want to talk real history. No, I get it there. I get it.
Nick's secretly an Austrian. What the fuck, bro? Wait, Craig, you
sound like one.
Shippies? I've never heard that word. Oh, ship. Yeah. I know what you mean now. We don't spell it that way, but yeah.
Like shippy as in ship, boat? Or?
No, not as in boat. No.
Oh, okay.
That's why I was confused because you.
Okay.
You wrote it that way. Okay, look, the good news used ChatGPT there. Swiss ethnicity is not a single. Wait, how do you spell that word? I don't even know. How do you say that word?
Homogeneous.
Homogeneous group. The mix of. Is it Celtic or Celtic?
Celtic. Oh, giving English lessons.
Yes, thank you very much. Yeah, okay, so it's German, Roman, and so.
Gallo-Roman and Germanic, Alemannium. Yeah. Yeah, like originally the people in Switzerland now would have been bred from, Yeah. I mean, way back. You have to go way back, but.
Interesting. Oh, Yost says Celtic. Huh.
What?
I don't know.
Celtic. It's absolutely Celtic.
Let's see.
It's Akai and it's Celtic. I know when to. I know when to pronounce the C's.
Then it's definitely Celtic. Wait, let's do this. Celtic. Translate so we can hear it.
Celtic.
Yeah, it's definitely Celtic.
Brother, what? Celtic. No, because
I've been giving English lessons here.
Oh, shut up. Shut the fuck up. Guys, my Aussies in the chat. What the hell? The rest of the world of freaks. Someone back me up here. We say Celtic in Australia. Celtic.
Yo, black interval, I see what you did there. Nice.
Bruh. Something you should drop accounts for the ones who were right. Hell no.
Great, that's funny. That's funny.
Yeah, I'm thinking Celtics like the basketball team. Why do they call it Celtics then? The basketball team. Yeah, the
Did you know your name is actually Colleen?
Shut the hell up. Imagine that.
I'm just going to call her Colleen from now on.
Fuck off. No. I hate that. What an ugly name. Colleen. What the... I would tell that to the French. My name is actually French.
Colleen Dion.
What a troll in the go-away. All right, Mick. You're just Mick from now on. Chat, come on, you guys. You catch on to these bullshit.
Welcome to the London session with Colleen and Mick.
I'll be Colleen as long as you're Mick. Fair deal.
I don't think Mick is a bad name. It's just, I don't know. Weird.
Or you can be Nicholas, because I know you hate that.
Nicholas?
Nicholas? Colleen from Kaina?
I'm Colleen from Kaina. Well, chat, I'm still in this long. And we're going for 109 points on this. Right back up to the 200 EMA. So let's see.
I'm potentially going to get tapped in here. I want to hopefully... I'm actually going to trade this on Funded as well. Just micros though, but I like it.
Crocodile Dundee, Mick. What? Dude, Monty, where is that Q coming from? Why is Colleen suddenly Queleen? Jacqueline.
Colleen with the Q?
Yeah.
What?
Okay, Fuzz, you're funny.
Celine, you never took the gold long. I haven't had a gold long opportunity yet. No entry for me there yet. That's why. Hi, Selena. You're from British origin.
British.
What makes you think I'm British? Is it the accent? Good morning. Morning, Jimmy.
Morning. Mo says, next link, going back to weird foods. You guys tried mockingbird, pigeon, whale, oil, beef hooked. What? I didn't even know that existed.
Oh, interesting. I've never heard of any of those. Sounds strange.
No,
especially that mockingbird one. The hell?
The heli? The Beyonce?
The hell?
With the helicopter?
Celine, you look Antarctican. What? You guys are so just... You'll pick anything. Look, we've got another someone in the chat who's now discovering Switzerland. Switzerland ethnicity says Helvetic Republic, North German Confederation, part of the Holy Roman Empire, Helvetica. The name comes from the canton Schwyz. Interesting.
Mo, nah, that's too far. That's pulled from too far away. Your recent ones were good, but that one is like if you have to explain it after, you know it didn't work.
Wait, okay, can I confess now, Nick?
Yeah, what?
Mo said in the beginning of the stream we have to prank Nick today, but he said, I'll give you the hint, Celine, I'll give you the code. And then when he says Mockingbird was the code, you have to get Nick to read the comment. And you just went ahead and read it.
What it's about? It's like...
But I was expecting more, Mo. I was expecting better.
You got to think about it this way. When you tell a joke to somebody and you have to explain the joke after, the joke was just bad. In this case, when you do a wordplay and you have to explain it and literally nobody in the chat got it, nobody is laughing, it's like, yeah.
Look, Mo, I just, you know you can do better. That's what we're saying. You got more up your sleeve, I'm sure.
Taku says, Nix looks like a mix of Swedish father and Swedish mother. Yeah, because I'm a Swede. You know it.
What the hell? Okay, that is a great question. Kefas Fool says, serious question though, why does Swiss cheese come with the holes? Can you answer that?
Mice.
Shut up. I wonder if there's I'm gonna have to Google it because Nick's gonna not give us the real answer.
What am I? A cheese manufacturer or what?
You're a Swiss.
So what?
So you know your cheeses, don't you? If you know anything, the Swiss know their cheese.
Did I hear Jesus?
Oh no. What did we do?
Who said Jesus? I'm right here.
Sorry, my cam turned off for some reason.
Oh, you good? Internet cut out?
Yeah, internet cut out. Sorry.
Oh, God. Just had another encounter with the Lord.
Hey, Marv, what up, gang? Haven't seen you in a while. You and Momo. You've been in the chat all the time, and now you're just gone.
Well, was he here for the Swiss talk?
Jesus Christ.
In Switzerland, probably. Colleen, what's your entry level? Entry by limit is sitting at 29,216.50 on this long.
Wait, you are long already, or you just have a long order there?
No, long by limit sitting there.
Oh, okay.
Meow, 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 meow.
Oh, we did hit the like goal.
Oh,
we did hit the like goal. So, chat, let's do a little giveaway here. All you got to do to participate in this giveaway is you have to like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the Google form is, you will get disqualified as well. And if you ask me right now, after I just explained how to enter the giveaway, how you enter that giveaway, then you will get hyper, giga, mega, super duper, ultra disqualified. So here's the link. Good luck, everybody else. Here you go.
Good luck, everybody else.
All right. We are on our 109.1 micro mission. We're up 26 points right now. So
let's go.
Let's see. Lila says, I hope I win. Just lost my funded account yesterday. Oh man, that sucks. Marv says, I was never gone. Hell yeah. Schweizer Unite.
Long's printing. They are printing, and I'm gonna be super mad if I didn't get tapped into this. It came so close.
Crypto Daner, you're disqualified.
Of course.
Unbelievable.
G for Geo, nobody ever asked, how's the form?
Red Sauce, you're disqualified as well. Tarak Sahu, you're disqualified. Guys, are you serious?
That really sucks. You guys.
Science says, I have a good feeling I'm winning today. Hey, let's see.
Also, One Kong says, I have entered 400 of these. Today is the day. That's right. One Kong, you just have to believe. You know, Trader FX Ben or whatever his name was, Trader Ben, he won 4 accounts, 4 different times. So, it's anyone's win today.
It's true.
Where's Manifestation Baddie? Where's Manifestation?
Manifestation Baddie, where you at?
Gotta ew, don't do that again. Just gotta manifest that shit. Manifestation Baddie.
You just said, ew, don't do that again. Wow. Wow.
Chat is just gonna end up leaving the stream if you're gonna talk like that. We want the viewers to stay, right?
Hey, they're here. You know it. They are here. Tarak Sawi says, I didn't ask how to enter the giveaway, I asked how to enter the forum. Yeah, that's equally stupid. So, disqualified.
Oh, Trader Ben FX is in the chat. He said, where is the Google form? That's a disqualification, isn't it?
Brandon. Ow. Yeah, yes, it is. The answer is yes. Brandon. Ow.
Oh, Brandon. I love that. You might have to go up on the list, Brandon.
Is he getting second favorite?
He might. I mean, you keep coming with those great comments, and you will move slowly to the top place.
Damn.
He's not wrong, Nick. He literally said, I'm going to fall off 3 times and you fell off. That was funny.
Kefas. No, I'm not actually. I'm really not. My fiance is good though.
At what? Jazz.
Jasse.
Jazz.
Not Jazz. Jasse. Selin, hast du noch nie gejasset? Kleiner Donnerstagsjass, hä?
Huh? Yes?
Huh?
Yes.
Jasse, yeah.
Yes. Nick and Link, can you check gold? Taran Preet Singh, I'm looking at gold. It's the chart on the right on my screen at the moment. No setup for me. We did sweep previous 4-hour low, and we are in currently a bullish 4-hour gap, and the 4-hour right now has no top wick. So right now, all we've done in this 4-hour candle is significantly drop here, and we are starting to buy back up and potentially flip bullish. So I'm looking for a long potential on gold today, with all that considered. Yeah,
Marv said, ein schöner Jass ist etwas sehr Schönes. Jawohl. Richtig so, Marv. Super.
All right, Swiss people. Can we go back to English?
Wait, Absent says, don't marry her. She's with Lucid Trading. What are you talking about, sir?
We don't speak of that name around here.
No, we do. I mean, that one is fine. Brett and AJ are friends. We're good.
That's true. Okay, we let it slide. But what is he talking about?
Kong says today's the day. No, tomorrow's the day. Tomorrow is the day.
Tomorrow is the day. And right now I'm searching up Yas, Switzerland. National card game.
Jasse with an E at the end.
The national card game.
Yes.
Trick taking gameplay with 36 actually. Okay. Interesting.
Uh-huh.
I didn't know that you guys had a national card game.
You. Yep.
That's cool. Good, Aldrin. Keep it that way.
All right, let's run the giveaway. Let's go to my screen. Roman, copying everybody over. We have 808 people in the giveaway, but only 520 liked. Guys, that is absolutely disgusting behavior. How can you not like the stream, but you enter the giveaway? That is you're like little cockroaches.
Terrible.
All you guys, and the N-word guys back. You know what? Fuck you.
Seriously?
But anyways, all you guys who did not like the stream and you entered the giveaway form, you are little cockroaches. I tell you that.
You heard him chat.
Absolutely insane.
And this is just for the first giveaway, so you better get those likes up if you want a chance at doing the second giveaway today.
Yeah. Now, unfortunately, sorry, I gotta take some time really quick to check all the entries because there were some pretty stupid ones in there. I mean, whoever does that, you're just hurting the other traders in here, the other participants, because I don't care if we don't do giveaways, like whatever. But people do want giveaways, so we want to give them the giveaways. But if there are stupid people typing stupid stuff into the forum, then just not do it. Yep.
Nikolai, no, we can't send it again, guys. You have to be there.
All right, let's run it down. I checked everything.
All right, let's do it.
Everything. All right. Giveaway winner number 1 of Tuesday, the 12th of May, 2026 is... It's loading. It's too many people. Oh. Page unresponsive. Oh, there it is. Okay. Spinning. Who put in ketchup is weird. You know what? Get out of here. If you win, you don't get anything.
No. That guy's being double.
The winner is Shasha Reader?
Shasha, yeah. That's how I'd say it. Shasha?
Yeah, Shasha. Type something in the chat. Congrats. Congratulations. You just won something. We don't know what yet, but let's see. Where are you at? People saying, what the fuck, you again? Wait, did you just win one recently?
They're saying, of course, rigged. How? That person has not won in the London session. I do not know that name.
No. Jetzt finden wir mal raus, was du gewinnst. Let's see what you win. Spinning both wheels. Jackpot! Jackpots!
Holy shit.
A big fat jackpot. This is the biggest, the largest, the bestest you could ever get. 150k lightning funded. Damn. All right.
Huge.
I'm definitely not gonna let you gamble that one. Congrats, Shasha. All you gotta do now is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it is your actual Tradeify login. And we're gonna be sending a 150k lightning funded account your way. That's after discount applied, a $500 account. So insane. Absolutely insane.
Huge win. Huge
win. Congratulations. Massive.
And chat, that doesn't have to be the only 150k lightning account we give away today. You know that.
True.
So let's get the likes up. What should we say for the next giveaway, Nick? What do you think?
Yeah, everybody put a big fat W in the chat for Shasha. Next giveaway like goal. We have 855 viewers. I'll make it a bit easier. Let's do 795.
Yeah, fair.
We're sitting at 603 right now. So 795 likes, we're going to do another giveaway.
It's doable, chat.
Oh, Shasha says I have the record of losing twice while gambling in a New York stream, even after Miriam gave me grace.
So finally you won.
Yeah, and you won 150k lightning funded, so.
It was well worth it.
Big boy account.
Rahul says, say I won a 150k lightning, would I be able to replace with 3 or 4 25k lightning? No.
No. Not really.
Now, is this trade going to tap me in or what?
Yeah, Marcos, I could, but that doesn't take much time to just filter it manually. What are you seeing on the charts right now, Celine? I'm still chilling.
I'm still seeing like, I still see us moving up higher here, but I just don't like how slow it is. I still have my order in 21650, but at the moment, if there is a reaction, there is another chance for me to get in. For example, if we sweep previous 15-minute low now, which is very close, that level is 29.75. If that level is swept and we get a bullish 1-minute inversion, then I'd also just delete my limit order here that I have sitting lower and just take it off the inversion on the 1 minute. So we'll see. Either way, I am still trying to get along in here, even though it is a bit of a slower grind. I still like it long term for the longs.
All right.
But these guys, Constantine saying dump incoming. Wow. You guys think this is going to drop?
Now let's see. Let's go back to my screen, Roman, because I'm still in the trade. Thank you.
Let's see if Paul has still said 70% think, Nick, you're going to nail this long, so let's see.
Okay.
Seattle, Celine, take a W today, please. Seattle, let's pray for me. Hopefully it's a W on stream today.
Hey, also, Celine, we just crossed 106,000 subscribers. So.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
Damn. Tradeify gang is growing.
We just hit 100K on Friday.
Hell yeah. What did I say? 100?
We're already 6% to 200K from 100K.
I think the other day I estimated another 10K when we're at 103. So I was like, 113 by the end of the month. But now I'm feeling like that's going to be done this week.
Yeah.
It is growing here. We're coming for that top channel. You guys watch out. We are coming. Tradeify TV to the moon.
To the moon. What are we gonna do here?
TD Garage says, I will not trade the CPI. We'll open charts after the release. Interesting. Why won't you trade CPI? And that goes to anyone who just says they won't trade when it's CPI. I'm interested to know if you guys have logical reasoning behind that. Why? Because there's definitely, the markets are moving, even though it is CPI day. If you care to share.
If you care to share.
Maddie says, I love CPI, Lemaire. I also love CPI. Jeez, balls, I'm longing CPI with my house, garden, and my children.
What can I say about that?
Not much at all, Nick. Not much at all. I'm curious though, that guy who said, it's TD Garage, like why you don't trade on CPI.
TD Garage?
Well, yeah, TD Garage. He said, I will not trade the CPI. Leia needs to know when she's going to get that pizza to you. She said, when do you want that damn pizza?
Well. I don't know. I don't even know anymore. He-Man, make a pass in Tradeify. I want your advice. Go red or blue. Me personally, I like the flex. So I think that's blue, right? I think so. But yeah, flex, not daily.
Yes.
For me. Or whatever you want. Baji trades. What is that vertical line? I'll get to it later. You'll see.
What?
There's a reason.
Tell us now.
Yeah.
Tell us now.
If I tell you now, it's not funny. It's only funny if I tell you in like 30 minutes.
All right. Whatever. I was going to say, Nick, if you are looking to add into this position, as we normally see you do, where are you looking? Where are the levels if we do drop into, like, you're planning on scaling into this?
Pretty much was looking to add at the 170 area. So 29, 170 and then 160. So we got down to 176, which is not enough for me.
Okay.
Kev says calling, wanted to say Kellen, you look like Wonder Woman. Yeah, that's a nice compliment.
To you, right?
Well, he says calling, so he wanted to say Celine, but he said
There's
Kellen.
no way that guy tried to spell Celine and he ended up typing calling.
100% he did. Want to bet? 100% he did.
I don't know. Calling is just so far. Calling sounds a bit more like Nick.
Kev, did you want to say Celine? See,
Nick.
autocorrect.
Autocorrect, damn it.
Boom.
All right, I'll take that, Wonder Woman. She's cool.
That's
She
a
can
pretty
fly.
good compliment.
Yeah. I mean, I'd rather Iron Man. He's my favorite Marvel superhero.
So
Or
wait,
Doctor
you
Strange.
would want somebody to come into the chat and be like, "Hey, Celine, you look like Iron Man."
Hell yeah. Or Doctor Strange. Like, Celine, you look like Doctor
You're
Strange.
fucking
I will
weird.
because they're the best superheroes. What do
Wait,
you mean?
Chat, am I the only one who thinks that's weird?
What? Chat gets me, all right? You don't have to understand. Celine, you look like Doctor Strange. Thanks, Foxy Logs. Like, my day's been made now.
Yeah, actually, when I
Okay,
was at that hotel in Austria and I ate next to Benedict Cumberbatch, I thought I saw you before. So that's where it was. I see.
Thank you. That is such a nice compliment. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, you have a very deep voice too.
Mm-hmm. What, this one?
Like this one.
Bashi says, Celine, I heard you're moving from Bali. Well, you heard that a bit late. I have left Bali well and truly like 3 weeks ago. I'm now in Melbourne, Australia. Soon to be leaving here also.
Celine is way too pretty to look like Robert Downey Jr. I think Robert Downey Jr. doesn't look bad.
Yeah, he's not the worst. That's way worse.
Why did that activate my Google Home? Huh? Why?
I don't know.
Why Google? Why did you just activate?
Because Google is stupid. Gemini also thinks that I'm AI, so I just don't trust Google anymore. Don't buy Google products, guys.
Wait, 1 second. Okay, Google. My friend Celine just said that you're stupid.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Oh yeah, she's stupid.
Point proven. Okay, so Dean wants to know, why did I leave Bali? Bali was never a permanent move for me. So Bali was just sort of like a temporary move for me to focus on trading because the hours are much better there than Australia. And I could lock in, be really focused, not be distracted. And yeah, it had all great things about it. It's not like, it's just not a long-term place for me to live. You know, people that have been to Bali, they know.
Yep.
How about Philippines? Never been to the Philippines.
He-Man, where are you wandering towards?
He's a wanderer.
Yes, I set up your Google. Okay, wait, let's do this real quick. Okay, Google.
Oh no,
Let's see
don't
how
troll
many
cues.
Google Homes just got activated.
Erst du.
Okay.
Worüber soll ich etwas erzählen?
Shut
Oh,
it.
you have a Swiss Google?
Kann ich vielleicht etwas anderes für dich tun?
No.
Yes. Yes.
No, it's funny. Like sometimes she responds in German and sometimes she responds in English. It's kind of funny. And then sometimes she does this.
English listen well. Yes, the listen now Alexander sometimes responds. Sagen.
What? I swear, guys.
Sometimes she does this really weird thing where she responds in English with a German accent.
No, that would be hilarious.
Yes, and it's funny as shit. And I don't know
Tell her-
how to
can you tell her
activate
to
that.
do
It
it?
randomly happens sometimes.
You just tell her. Just say, Google, can you talk in English but with a German accent? I'm so sure no.
Won't.
Unless she's
Okay,
actually
Google.
rude.
Speak in English, but with a German accent. Maybe she does. Let's see.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
No. And then sometimes she just does like, sorry, I did not understand this. What?
That's so random. I love that though.
Yeah. Yep.
Oh god, because you have an Aussie male Google. The Aussie accent's the worst. Is Jaman Dutch ear? Says Isnab Jean.
Fun.
Here. Is Jaman Dutch... What? That's so wrong. Is Jaman Dutch here?
Ist jemand Deutsches hier?
Deutsch is here.
Yeah.
Ask her in an Indian accent.
I can't do an Indian accent. Don't know how. But I can. What happened? Sorry, my internet cut out for a second.
Oh, something. I don't know. Heard something. Maybe it was just in my head. Not sure.
Okay.
Hearing voices in my head. Tiakje says TP not hit for 1 point the first time, and for a tick the second time. I lock my account for today. I think that's a good idea. I would be very much fuming if that was me getting like missed twice. If you know your emotional ability and you're not stable right now, just log yourself out. I think that's fair. W, discipline. Alan, no, I'm not entering for long. I have a buy limit right now. I'm waiting.
Analytics MI says, good morning, guys from London. Good morning, Saya.
Morning.
Do you have your
Welcome
copper
to
yet?
the London session.
Do you have your copper yet? And can I get a bottle of water? Bottle of water in it. Just a copper. Seattle says, Celine, I'm about to be a dad. Great.
Hell yeah. Awesome. Nice. Split Striker Celine, what is your buy limit based on? It is it's the high of the 5-minute IFVG. So at 310, we confirmed the inversion for value gap on the 5-minute. And I have my buy limit at the high. Just there.
H of Noritsun, or how you say that, says, yeah, don't fuck up like me. 2.3k profit, forgot to set a stop loss, and bye-bye account. That means you were over-leveraged. As much as you don't want to hear that, but you were over-leveraged. Because I don't have a stop on this. And I guarantee you, if I do not do anything on this account today, and I just leave this order on, I will not blow the account. If it drops 1,000 points, I will not blow the account. If it drops 2,000 points, I will not blow the account. So.
True.
You were over leveraged.
Sounds like a you problem. Celine, where are you moving to next? Chad, I am moving to Greece. When will the chop end? I don't know. I mean, hopefully we get a clean move in the London session like before CPI, but potentially we just, I don't know. If it gets too late into the session and we still haven't, like my order hasn't been taken, I'm just going to cancel this. Because it will get to a point where we're closer and closer to 8:30 and I just don't want to be trading. Usually that hour before is probably my cutoff. Before CPI. When are you moving to Greece, Celine? I'm moving the 1st of June. I will be flying out of Australia.
So you were saying, again, there would be a chance to meet up in Miami and you're not coming? Is that what you're saying?
Sad. I won't be able to be there. But I have always got, like this time around, it's a legitimate reason. Every time it's been legitimate, but what can I do now? I will literally be flying across the world to Europe. Brett had to pick those dates. It's not my fault.
Well.
Outro looking for gold shorts. I am on the side of the bulls for gold. I'm at the moment waiting for a long opportunity for gold, but also NQ, both of which seem to just be sideways right now since I'm taking out their previous day low levels. Nothing.
SAR trader, how are you moving to Greece, Celine? She's walking.
No, I'm obviously not. I'm swimming, guys. There's a big ocean. I'm
But
swimming.
you can't walk in water?
Sadly, no. I can swim. I'll stream. I'll stream from the ocean out there.
Stream from the stream.
Celine, say hi to Thanos when you get there. Thanos and me, we're not friends. Nope. You clicked.
Yes. Yep. 100 point. Give her an Oscar right now, everybody. Give her an Oscar right now.
And just like that. Did anyone else feel the force of the click?
Oh, that's funny. That's hilarious. Oh, somebody lives in Athens. Nico Loco. Sounds more Spanish to me.
Oh, cool. He could be a Spaniard living in Athens.
Actually, his name is Nikolaos Kolias. Nikolaos Kolias Tsatsiki. It's his third name.
Oh, he's Greek. Nikolaos. Cool.
Yeah, that's what you said.
Right. I tuned out for a split second there, guys.
You tend to do that every now and then.
No,
Me too,
not
to be
all the
fair.
time.
Not just you.
Yeah, that is true. I've caught you out.
Yeah. It's fine. I mean, we stream so long every day. Sometimes you just zone out.
Well, sometimes I'm like, yeah, literally trying to read the price. It'll be much better when I get my glasses, don't worry. Much
Fair.
better.
Leah says, I heard everyone is called Nick in Greece. Nah, everybody's called Georgios in Greece.
Yeah, here goes.
Georgios.
That is true. Oh, I got entered. Wow, after all that, I'm entered into a long...
Incredibile. We might get a chance to add more to this position.
Let's see.
Marco says, Celine, once you're in Europe, you will be able to trade Frankfurt Open, London Open, New York Open, and New York Close. Are you ready?
I am so ready. I've never traded a New York afternoon session ever. The latest I've been able to trade it is like 11 a.m. Is it? Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
Well, I guess it gives me that second chance. Like if I don't have a good New York AM session, I don't now have to go to bed and sleep on it because that's the worst. At least I can trade the PM. You know, to make up for it.
Yeah.
Now I'm just gonna set some orders in here.
Orders in here.
Just a bit above those highs.
No. 644 likes, chat. That's a bit disappointing. We need 795 for the next giveaway.
We're nowhere near it, guys. All right, I'm going to take the full profit off. Oh, well, I don't know what the chances are we get up all the way up there before CPI, but why not take a stab at that previous 4-hour high level? That's 150 points I'm going for here. Let's see. 29,365 is that level?
It's a big target for you.
Oh yeah, but I mean that's for the last contract. I am taking a contract off of 1-to-1. It is more than I usually go for, but it's just like more of a hold.
Wow, nice voice crack. Dream 11 fantasy skills 37 says I did it, bro. Nick, you did what? What did you do?
Okay, that's the trade. Oh, I didn't notice Roman's poll in here. Guys.
What?
Roman put a poll in here. Did you hit the like button? I didn't see that.
Yeah, but you know what? Wait, where's the poll now? I can't see it anymore. It's gone.
Yeah, it just disappeared from me too.
Yeah, because the other message is pinned. Paul ripping Greek jokes in the chat.
No way.
They're not even funny.
One of you guys. Because you look like I don't get it.
Like cool. Because everybody has the same name.
Oh no. Dangerous to long, Celine. Goodness, easy. We'll see.
Depends how you long. As said, market can drop 2,000 points. My account will still not blow. Mo, as many as he wants.
Does all the hosts have a bounty on them? No.
No.
Clearly not.
TD Garage says, I like the Ninja Trader target filled sound. Yeah, that one is good. Rio, why will your account not blow? Well, very simple, because I'm in 1 micro. So if it drops 2,000 points, I will lose $4,000. But I have $4,500 of drawdown. That's why.
At Celine, Science says, do you see 28,950 trading tonight? Dropping below 29,000? No, it's not on my cards, but it absolutely can happen. Just not my plan. Obviously, I wouldn't be longing this if I thought we were going to drop lower. So for me, the key levels I wanted to see swept have been swept now. So, I mean, we're going to continue to drop here. It's not looking so good for the bulls, but I like it. I still like it for reversal, but as soon as I entered that, we are dropping.
Give me the 160 area and I'll be buying the shit out of NQ. You know it.
Oh, well, then it's probably gonna... Oh, no, was that... No, guys, drawdown blown on that account. Damn it. Damn it.
What, you didn't have enough drawdown?
No. I sized wrong in that even. Okay. Guys, let me just quickly... I can still re-enter. One moment. We are going to re-enter this. With a buy stop here. All right. 1 minute, Roman. Can we switch? I'm just going to switch to my other accounts here.
Marcos, I'll get Roman to set this up. It's actually funny. Roman, check the Slack channel. Yeah, Marv.
Okay, now.
I think it's pretty lame. It's actually super lame. He just said that if I heard that AP and Swatch are doing a collab watch. It's like so lame. Yo,
Wait,
chicken. What up? What up? I almost said what up, dog. But hey, what up, chicken? Everybody put a or some corn in the chat so chicken can eat.
Bakak.
Here you go, chicken. Just for you.
Also, he says 900 viewers in here. Damn, have a beautiful day, y'all. We got 900. That means the likes should have easily been smashed.
Hey.
Let's have a look.
Facts. Facts. Setting up some more buy orders here at 70 and 63.
I now have, by the way, what I've done now is switched over to funded accounts. I'm trading this with micros and have a buy stop. So if price wants to keep dropping here, I'm cool. But if it starts to reverse off this day's low now, if it comes back up, it will tap me in with a buy stop instead. So I didn't rush into it because it is obviously showing bearish intent right now. So buy stop. I am more disciplined when it comes to funded accounts, guys. I'm not degen. This is micros and this is 2 micros. So we'll see if I get tapped in.
Chicken says I'm never winning, so that's why I'm not liking. Rigged. Well, if you're not liking and you're not participating in the giveaways, then obviously you're not winning. Raw of 24, barely. Very rarely, yes.
Quacker says that's me, done for the day. Big Al, catch you tomorrow. I mean,
All right.
fair enough.
Yeah, fair enough. Marcos, here is your poll that you requested. Also, Roman, let's go back to my screen because I'm still in the trade. Thank you. So I have another buy order at 170.5 and 163.5. So let's see.
Selena, you were also trading without stop loss? No, I have a buy stop on this, so I'm not entered into the trade yet. I will absolutely have a stop loss set when I have the order filled. What did we say the like call was again?
795. We're at 698 and we have about 35-ish minutes to reach 798. There are 911 people watching, so
Easily done.
yeah.
If everyone watching right now goes and hits the like button, we will easily get there. Just saying.
It's true. Peter from Chicago. Come on, guys. I like your name, Peter from Chicago. Where are you from? Moses Nick, wanna be awesome.
Trading Asia.
Trading. Yeah, I just wanted to read the rest of the comment before I read it out loud
True.
because I realized it was Mo. I'm like,
Yeah.
that's so stupid. Peter from Chicago. I asked you where you're from as a joke because your name is Peter from Chicago and you say Florida.
Florida.
Oh, that's funny.
Cool.
That is funny. Amir caught it. Everybody else is just zoned out, including
Hey, I
Celine.
caught it. I'm awake. No, I caught it.
Oh, did you?
Yes. Celine is focused. I just didn't expect this. I didn't expect this from NQ right now. So interesting to see this.
Oh, look, the Sputnik fan club is here.
Oh. Hello, everybody. Sputnik fan club. Hello to you.
Well,
Does everyone
Mo,
have a
you
fan
brought
club
that
now?
burden. You brought that burden upon yourself, man.
I think it's
On
so
you.
unfair. It's true. Even I have to double check. I know, Mo, you said like you're not going to get me again, but I don't 100% trust that. That's all you're doing.
I'd almost got my order in, but
Oh, the chat's saying oil pumping now. Shoot.
I'm sad. If NQ goes up here, I'm very sad.
Where's your
170.5 and 163.5, and it literally came down to 174. Come on. Hey, sheer official. You're getting, yeah, okay, that's too many times. You're getting a 1 minute ban. You can come back in a minute. You can talk normal, but don't copy paste messages. If you copy paste again after that 1 minute, you're gonna get a ban, 24-hour ban.
I'm gonna take a long here with micros on the funded now. Let's see. Stops at the low.
Celine, can you
What?
confirm what Amir says in the chat?
One moment, please.
I need to know if
What's
that's
he
true.
saying? What? I did not. I did not.
I mean,
I did not. I mean, you know that's not true.
if you did,
No, Nick, I didn't. Okay, stop. It ends there. I don't know why Amir feels like trolling today. All right, 29216.
are we gonna hit the level here to re-enter?
Please no.
Oh, did you enter longs again?
Yeah. I entered this with micros. Unfunded.
Wait, where's your stop?
171.25.
No, that's where I get entered, Celine.
Oh no. No.
That's where I'll add to my position.
No. Please.
Yes.
Let me have this. Let me have this trade first.
Well.
Brick Scaler, I never said that. These guys, you're always trying to troll. Trying to make me sound stupid. Oh, so many wicks. I don't like it. We're back at break even now. Maybe it wants to drop here. Let's see.
Let's see. Shimia says you guys are funny. Thanks.
Thank you. We try to be. We try to be serious when we need to be, and then we try to be funny. Because trading doesn't need to be boring, right? It is boring, but when
Amir, you really get me interested in this. So, when was it? At the very beginning of the stream? When was it?
can we not? Why is every day like make fun of Celine Day on Tradeify TV? Chat
No, I'm just
every
I'm just
day.
interested in this story. Camo, is Tradeify a scammer prop firm? Absolutely. Obviously not. Why not? Well, Roman, go to my screen really quick. I don't know what your definition of a scammer prop firm is, but I know for a fact that Tradeify has paid out $205 million to our traders. So, yeah, the answer is no.
Definitely not. And spell it properly.
I don't know what time exactly. Well, but was it at the very beginning? Was it like 30-ish minutes in? When was it, Amir? Roundabout. Just give me an estimate.
No, we don't need an estimate. You guys have way too much time. We're here to trade. We're not here to troll Celine. Chat. Some of us are here to trade. Dr. Futures Trade says, Celine, how come you didn't enter off the low? Reason for my entry was based on the 1 minute IFVG after the sweep of the previous 15-minute low. That's why I entered where I entered.
Wait, this is kind of entertaining. So Camo said, Tradeify scams people. I just bought an eval. I haven't received my account. Stop lying, whatever lying is. I have proof. I bought an account yesterday. I have proof of the payment and everything. Well, if you have a technical issue, which can happen every now and then, very rarely, but it can happen, then make sure you open a support ticket. Support will help you like almost immediately. They're super quick, super fast, and the problem will be resolved. So don't just try to spread false information, because just go for a support ticket. I'm not going to give you a ban yet. However, this is a yellow card. If you keep spamming these things, then I'll ban you. So this is a warning, okay? Before you say anything else, go to support, open a ticket, speak to them, then come back and tell me what they said.
Funny how none of us have these issues.
And stop lying.
Yes. Why are you lying? There can be a new one.
Okay, Camo says, I did open a ticket. Open, please help me. Okay, when did you open your ticket? Abi says some people need life skills. Yeah. I'm so sad I didn't get triggered for my second and third order. Damn it.
Well, I hope now it doesn't.
Camo, if you open your ticket 40 minutes ago, they'll get to it. It's not like instant support, but you're gonna get a response today. I promise you. If you don't get a response today, then you can blame it on me. You'll get a response today. I promise.
Laxman Lukes, I've seen your comment like 10 times. Much love to you as well. Altrace has caught some good NQ shots in and out. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Fire.
Laxman, I appreciate you, but you don't need to be spamming. Oh, we're gonna hit TP1 here.
Aditya, whose screen do you think it is? Fucking flashbang screen blinding everybody? Who do you think it is? Come on now.
Yeah, he must be new. Wait, Atiche is definitely not new. Well, I'm not changing anything about these screens. You guys know that. You don't like it? Too bad.
Jado, are you going to hold that trade till New York, Nick? Absolutely, if it doesn't hit my TP first.
Hola. AI Story Lab says, hola, Celine.
Hola.
Hola, senor.
Hola, senor. Sí. Why did I TP where it's at? I want to go 409 points, and it's right above the 200 DMA. I don't know about Celine though. Why did you TP where you did?
I haven't TP'd yet, but TP1 is set at 1R. And the second TP is just set at the highs. Our structured target, yeah. All these relatively equal highs. That sort of chop that we were having on the 5 minute. And it's also like this area of price on the 1 minute is just like an area that I think we could potentially get back to.
Celine Fan Club is asking, Celine, do you prefer mountain biking or swimming? We're discussing.
Who's where? The fan club is discussing. Who's we? Jonathan, you can calm down there with that comment. I don't know where you got
Jonathan,
that.
I like it. Keep it going. Keep it going. I like it.
This is why we call it a dictatorship, because the rules only apply when Nick likes the comment.
Hey, hell yeah. Remy knows.
Nice. Wait, we got to answer Slim Fan Club. Mountain biking or swimming? Well, I have to say swimming because I've never done a mountain bike ride. So I'd be lying if I said that.
I went mountain biking once. I broke my wrist.
Oh my god. Awful. How did you do that?
Well, no, I hit a little pothole or something, and I was on the front brakes while doing that, and then
Oh, you went flying.
Yep.
Jeez. You're lucky you just broke your wrist.
Black Interval says, "Bro, Nick, you just got trolled." Did I?
What? I didn't pick up on it.
No, I don't think so. I think that he thinks that I didn't realize who or like what Remy actually is.
Oh, right.
But I'm aware of that. So, and I didn't say the full name. I'm not dumb. Yep.
All right. What are we doing, NQ? What are we doing?
Well, we need about 66 more likes. And when I say about, I mean exactly 66 more likes. So hit the like button. Get us to 795. We're going to give you another giveaway chance.
Oh, look who we have in the chat. Russell has joined us. Russell. Good morning, Russell.
Rusty, baby. Rusty, did you practice Mario Kart? Are you going to rank a bit higher this time on Friday? Justin says, "Hola, amigos. New from Madrid. Love the stream. First time here. I've been playing padel since I was 4 years old."
Welcome, Justin. Welcome.
Well,
Senor.
Abo, Mr. Swissnick would never do that. You know it.
Oh, I mean, he's not, but the other guy. You know the other guy? Nick Tesh?
Which one? No. Who is that?
Oh, you haven't met Nick Tesh yet. Interesting.
No.
He always actually comes
where's
here
he
when
from?
you're not here. Someplace in India, I believe.
Brother, I'm from bloody India. What do you do? Sorry, I cut out. What did you say?
No, it's all good. All good.
Oh, okay.
Now, I just came a tick away from that TP. So what are the chances we get Nicholas Wicklist on that? Let's see here. Okay, TP1 smash. Let's go.
Nice.
Stops
Nice,
to
Celine.
break.
W in the
Stops
chat
to
for
break.
Celine, everybody.
Hell yeah.
W in
Stops
the
to break.
chat.
Stops at break even now and letting the rest run on the funded. See if we can get to that. 29,250 level is the next target.
Oh, I'm so sad that it didn't tap me in on my second and third order.
Damn. It got close.
Ooh. Yeah, it did get close. That's why I'm sad.
I mean, it could still drop. I don't want it to anymore because I'll be break even.
Russell, who's long? Celine is long, and I'm long. We're both
Everybody.
long. Everybody is kung fu fighting. Oh, Amir, you actually looked it up. It's at 21:21 when she says you don't hear me put it too. Okay, let me go look. 1 second.
And Amir, you could have pulled me up on that yesterday, but you have to pull me up on it when Nick's here.
Well, you said that you didn't do that. So
I know I did it. All right, I'm not gonna admit it though.
Roman, we need my screen really quick. Okay, 21:21.
Put it two in the chat. Oh my
What in
god.
the chat, you guys can hear me? There's two comments down somewhere. Hello. You guys speak at all? Chat, put a one in the chat if you can hear me, and two if you can't hear me.
Yes.
Guys,
Oh, this is great.
that's probably my worst. My worst
This is
stream.
great.
Oh my god.
Oh man.
Shit. And Mia, you gotta do me like that in front of like 1,000 people. You gotta out me like that. Wow.
Oh boy, that was a good one. Thanks, Amir. Thanks for making me laugh on this rainy Tuesday.
I'm sad.
Oh, this is awesome.
And you know
Love
what?
it.
None of you pulled me up on that yesterday. All right. So
Ah, shit. That's
not
great.
fair.
That is fantastic.
Once if you can hear me too. Oh my gosh.
Aditya, I'm not spamming. Amir says he did several times, but he didn't answer, Celine. Oh.
Oh well. Oh, I swear I didn't see it.
Celine.
I'm not gonna lie, I didn't see it.
Mm-hmm.
Just saying. Nice, Russell. Moving to break even. Nice. I can't wait for the day we can make fun of something Nick said on stream. 'Cause I'm
You
just sick
can
of it.
already. There were multiple times. Multiple
There
things
are,
that
but
you
like-
could you could have made fun of, and you did, and it's fair. We can make fun of each other.
I think we're equal. We're equal.
Yeah.
Then.
Well, no, but
That was pretty bad. What? What?
I don't know. It's all right.
Your one with the soundboard was pretty bad.
That one was.
No one brings that up
100%.
anymore.
That one was really bad, but also really funny. Like if you watch it back, if you watch it back, it's the funniest shit ever. I swear, it was so good. Like it was so bad that it was so good.
And
Oh,
the
yeah.
like the look on your face, because we just both did not expect that. Oh my god.
I 100% did not expect that. If anybody knows when that was, I'm gonna play it. If anybody knows when it was, give me the
Yes,
time
yes.
time code and the date. I'll play it. I'm not scared. It was hilarious. It was funny.
It was hilarious. Why is Matthew putting a 2 in the chat? The joke's over,
He's a bit
Matthew.
late. He's a bit late. It's all right though. Amir
Checking on
says
the
the only
like
thing is
count.
sometimes he says wrong things in English, but that's not fair to make fun of him because it's not his first language. So no make fun of Nick. Yeah, thank you, Amir. Legend.
Checking on the likes here, we're at 759. What did we say? 770 something, right?
$7.95.
Okay, $7.95.
Jonathan Remy says, Nick talks proper good England. Yeah, in it.
Oh, Johnny Jack says it was Feb 30th, 3:10 a.m. Eastern. How are you guys
How
so quick
do
at
you
this?
know that?
That's hilarious.
Well, Celine, did
Alright,
you
let's
fall
bring
for
it
it,
up.
actually?
What?
February 30th?
Oh, brother. I did not fall for that. It's a trap, says Roman. Guys, you know what? The worst hour to pull pranks on me is this hour because I am just not as with it as I am in the beginning of the stream, okay? You go so slow. I think it's different when you're a viewer, okay? Things are much quicker, but I'm trading here, I'm reading, I'm listening, I'm talking, I'm multitasking, okay?
True.
Cut me some slack, chat.
Absent Silence says, taking a foot bath. See you later. All right. I guess. Enjoy.
What? That sounds nice. Celine fan club, can you stream Celine under the chair? What?
What the fuck?
No idea.
What's under your chair?
Wait, she wants to see under the chair?
I don't know. Apparently.
Roman.
It's a he, though, not a she, right? It's Pivex.
Oh. I thought your one was Pivex.
No, yours is Pivex. Remember, Seth, I changed my name so I don't have to say Celine?
No, yours is Pivex. Mine isn't that one. I'm looking at the chat.
Mine isn't Pivex. Yours
yes,
is Pivex.
it is, Nick.
No.
It's not. Look at the comment history. It's not. Nick fan club, are you Pivex?
Celine fan club, are you Pivex?
We've never known who Celine fan club is. We worked yours out yesterday because we went into his chat.
I don't know. JD6688 says, so let's talk CPI, change subject. Why? What do you want to talk about? CPI.
It's gonna be big.
Wait, Brandon says, Nick, stats are on your IG. I had nothing else going on. Okay, let me check.
Oh, he pulled together the race stats.
Let me check.
Chat, who's in the longs? Who's in the shorts? Update us with your trades right now because NQ's sort of slowing down here.
He actually pulled the stats. That's incredible.
That's awesome.
Okay. We gotta admit when we were wrong. So I won 4 times. Brandon won 4 times. So we have four wins each. However, when I fucked up worse than him. That's the issue. Can't believe that he pulled together the stats, Brandon. That's sick.
I love that.
It's actually sick.
We found someone who's just as competitive as you.
Yeah. Well, okay, so we won the same amount of races. It stays interesting, dude. It's good to have an opponent like you, because everybody else just sucks apparently.
I wonder what's gonna happen this Friday. Will Brandon take it out? That'll be 3 in a row. And then Brandon, you should really retire after that.
I think I gotta set up my proper controller, not this shitty thing. Gotta get my proper one.
I mean, all I'm hearing is excuses, but anyway. If you're the real Mario Kart champion,
optimize. Just gonna try to optimize, you know. Get the most out of my skills.
I think Brandon's just a champion, Nick.
So far, he is. I agree. Can't deny it. Can't deny it.
Celine fan club, I'd like to watch the live segment where you hid under the chair in shame.
I remember.
Yeah, I hated that day. That was probably my worst moment on stream.
Well, Brandon, now, if you don't participate in the championships, that's your problem, not mine. You gotta be there. Get your priorities straight. Trades by Arjun, what's the target of like? 795. 23 more. The good news.
Hey.
Yes, I'm an outlaw in the Grand Cup. I don't know if Celine's going to participate, but I think she's going to normally participate.
I am joining. I am joining, absolutely. I'm not an outlaw, but I will be joining. Absolutely. Well, there's some people are theorizing and conspiracies in here that I am an outlaw. I'm absolutely not.
Black Tackle, yes, you can trade 10 micros as well. We got 795. Leo says smashed it. Let's see. Refresh. No, we're at 777. What are you talking about?
Leia, did you just lie to us?
Why are you lying? Sign, reveal the new outlaw? Well, we will in the New York stream today.
Celine, you are a lore out. That is correct, Johnny. I'm a lore out.
Cheese balls, try me, man. Try. Yeah, Brandon will be here this week, he says. Science is liaring. You gotta write it. You gotta write it with an A though. Liaring.
So, Colleen, what's your position? Radish Gaming. My position right now is break even. I've pulled my stop to break even, taken TP1, and have the rest going for a higher target of 29,250. So roughly 60 points. Celine more of a sheriff.
Little sheriff. Na, 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 na.
Potentially going to get stop break even here on this long if we keep dropping. Break even level is 194.75, so we're almost going to hit that.
Next outlaw Celine AI wanted for liaring. Sign, yes, there will be an outlaw reveal today, but in the New York stream, not in the London stream.
What would I even be wanted for anyway, chat? Like, why would I be an outlaw? All the outlaws are outlaws because they're wanted for something. Okay, I've done nothing.
Mean, there's many reasons why you would be wanted.
I have a clean slate. You, my friend, put ketchup on steak. That's why they're out for you. Hiring, of course. Wanted for white chats.
for saying Celtic wrong. That's funny.
Wanted for AI disguising human. For selling in bull markets. Wait, these are actually funny. I am guilty of that. Failing on pranking Nick. True.
No.
We did fail. For banning Hannah.
Yeah, for banning Hannah, that's it. That's it. We got it now.
Wanted for hell yeah in every comment.
What?
I didn't say hell yeah to every comment, only when someone does something cool. Wanted for smiling when lying.
For not being able to do math when streaming. Well, I would say wanted for losing against India with Real Madrid.
Don't you dare, Nick.
Kind of what
Don't you
I would
dare.
say.
Oh, we're gonna get stop break even here. Yep. Okay, rest of that. Okay,
Roman?
okay.
Roman should switch to the countdown screen.
Oh, and we're back. Good morning, Tradeify Nation.
He says, yeah, wrong button. I just got a notification. Your Apple account is being used to sign into an iPhone near New York. What the hell? No.
Scam.
That's good though, that they give you the warnings.
That's a bit concerning there.
Give me a second. I need to look something up, and you know what I'm looking up.
You woo, Celine, how do I search for indicators at the lows of a given time period? The indicator that I'm using that plots the day's low is sessions and key levels by Script Edge. You can get it in the indicator list. BE, Pokemon Maestro? Yes, BE. BE on the rest and took a TP1 on that.
Is it an actual message from Apple, Nick? Yes. It's a pop-up. Pop-up on screen, not a text message or something. All right. We still need 29,170.5 and 29,163.5 for an additional entry.
Let's see. I feel like markets might start to get a little more quiet, coming closer to CPI, but
could be.
I'm happy I got out break even on the rest there.
Online shopping. What's the name of the song playing in the background? Jingle Bells. All right, fair. Science says, let's do the next giveaway. I need to go to bed. We hit the like goal, chat. So well done. Congrats. Very well done. So now I'm explaining the giveaway rules really quick. If you want to participate in this giveaway, then all you have to do, number 1, like the stream. Number 2, subscribe to the channel. Number 3, I will send a link to a Google form. You fill out that Google form, but only do it once. Okay, you'll find the link to that Google form in the chat. Now, if you fill it out more than once, you'll get disqualified. And if you ask me where the Google form is, you'll get disqualified. If you ask me, after I just explained all of this, you ask me, how do you enter the giveaway? Or how do you enter the form? Or any sort of questions in that direction, you will get hyper, mega, giga, super, ultra, duper disqualified. So don't do it, okay?
You heard him.
Mm-hmm. If you filled it out before, you have to fill it out again, okay? Here you go.
I swear people will still just try their luck.
Mm-hmm. They will. Why is the Google form? I said any sorts of questions in that direction, disqualified.
Damn it, Mikey. Guys, let Mikey be the example for the rest of you. We're not playing.
Mm-hmm.
PDPG. Goodbye.
Yep. Daniel. Bye. Disqualified. Moonlight AB. Thank you. Yes, Brandon. Tell them. Tell them.
Anytime on some futures trading.
You're
Anytime.
welcome. Mountain Nick, how is your form for a marathon? Okay, that one, we'll let that one slide. You're in good form
There's
today.
no- TKM says there is no democracy, just dictatorship. That, my friend, is 100% accurate around here. Sadly.
Yeah.
Edward says trading is like driving a car capable of doing 3,000 miles per hour. If you stick to a sensible speed, you will reach your goal. But 95% want to get there so fast they always crash. That's a cool analogy. Very true.
Yeah. Hey, shout out Francisco. We got Francisco from the Congo in the house. What's up? Are you still driving your Model 3 Performance across the Congo? Kismet is called a dictatorship. Yes, you know it.
Mm-hmm.
He says 3,000 miles per hour. The tires will fall off the wheels. Oh yeah, true. You have a BMW i3, not a Tesla Model 3. True.
AG Trader, if I'm paired against an outlaw like Nick, I'm not going to discuss... Well, first of all, if I'm paired against Nick, I will not discuss my strategy here because I don't want him to know. Okay. Maybe in the solo hour one day while he's not listening.
Roman, what's that poll? Come on now.
No, we don't want any
I know,
spuddling.
I know, but I know that you said you wanted an M3P. So, but you got the BMW i3. That's pretty nice. It's a nice car.
Jeremiah, trade sling, did you take gold longs? No, I was waiting for a previous 15-minute low sweep and reaction on the 1 minute, but didn't get that. So not in any trade on gold. It's the chart to the right here, which I've been watching, but I haven't had a setup I like.
Chat. 66% of people want to see spot gambling on London session. No. Just no.
Guys, that's like 4 or maybe even 3 a.m. for him. Like, he's a gambler as it is during the day. We don't need to encourage his gambling in the middle of the night.
For real.
It's not going to work out well.
Francisco's asking, Nick, do you love shorts? I'm in longs right now. So,
I thought you were going to pull up your meme face.
This one?
It's a good time. Yeah, that one.
It would have been a good time. I missed out on this opportunity.
Next time.
I know you love shorts, Francisco. I've never seen you taken along. Every single time you're in here, you say shorts.
Wait, Marco says if Spuddy lands on London session, then Smelly Nick needs to be here too. Who's Smelly Nick?
Oh, it's just they're cyberbullying me in the New York session sometimes.
Oh, chat. Joking.
Yeah. So it's literally like Spud pulls up a poll. I said, hey, Spud, can you pull up a poll to see how the chat is doing? And then it says, chat, how are you doing today? It says green, Swiss Nick is smelly in brackets. Flat, Swiss Nick is smelly times 2. And red, Swiss Nick is a stinky boy. It's like, why?
Oh, New York session is fun. At least like in the New York session, I got gang members that will gang up on you because I cop a lot of it in the London session. So I'm kind of for it.
As Nick works out, not like that crazy dude that lifted 500 pounds. Bro.
What?
Yep. Oh, damn. All right, let's pick a giveaway winner.
We don't even get what have these comments on.
Well, I'll explain later. All right, let me copy everybody over. I gotta check really quick for stupid entries again. If there's anything, nope. Oh, this guy again.
For real?
Annoying.
We have to perma-ban.
Yep, we will. The problem is I don't know who it is. I just catch them all the time, but it's okay. It's okay. Copying everybody over. 1 second. To waveform. Boom, boom, boom.
Let's go.
Leah says, no, you didn't, Francisco. Those who know, know.
Wait, I obviously don't know.
Well, Leah is an OG. She knows. She always knows. No, Francisco, your buddy Unbroken Session is gone. He never came back, actually. It's pretty funny, though, that guy. All right. The winner of today, second winner of today, is... Ooh. Fundamental with a with a little typo. Or is that Mike Tyson's alt account? Type something in the chat. Type something in the chat. Let's see you there.
Congratulations. Let's hope it's another big win for the chat today.
Emmy, it's not impossible for you to win, but the odds are low. All right, Fundamental is in the chat. It says here. Cool. So let's see what you win. Fundamental, you win a... Let me put the accounts in. Spinning all wheels. You win... Oh, this is good. Two 150k growth accounts? Two 150k accounts to give away today? That's crazy. So you get a 150k growth account. The guy before you got a 150k lightning funded account. Pretty good.
Big account.
I'll just let you keep that. So make sure you add your email address to your YouTube channel description, Fundamental. And also make sure the email address is your actual Tradeify login email, because otherwise we won't be able to send you your account. But congrats, nice.
Congrats. Big wins here on Tradeify TV London session.
Only big wins.
2 big wins.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Oh, well, I mean, I'm still honestly eyeing up longs to re-enter, but as it gets closer to that CPI 830 data release, I'm going to be waiting. So maybe, I think I'll cut it off by 7. I'll stop looking for entries and I'll just wait. But for now, I still like it for longs to the upside. Just don't want to be part of that 830 manipulation when we get that news drop. But what are you thinking, Nick? Gonna stay in this long? You're gonna hold through news?
I will, because now even the guy who shorts all the time, like Francisco said, starting an M&Q long now, got a bit of a spread now. So now I'm definitely confident in my longs. Francisco from the Congo goes long, I go long. I'm still in the longs. I do have entries to add, orders to add at 29.170.50 and 29.163.50. So if you come down there, I will add 2 more micros. I'm currently in 1. I'm targeting 29.331. That is 109 points from my current entry. So let's see. Let's see what happens. I'll update you guys during the New York stream on that position, because obviously I will hold it until then. Now, with that being said, chat, it's time. Put a big fat W in the chat if you liked today's stream. Put an L in the chat if you hated today's stream. And put an extra W in the chat if you couldn't hear Celine and you put a 2 in the chat. I'm kidding. At 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, we're going to be back with another New York session stream. And then tomorrow, 7 a.m. with Celine's solo hour in the UK stream. Celine, before we leave, any last inspiring words for the chat?
Inspiring words is trade CPI. No, I'm kidding. Just for the chat, make sure you...
unexpected.
I mean, no. I'm actually going to say some days are like this, chat. It's just a slow grind to the upside. But you just got to stick to your trading plan. If you get a setup in here, take it. But do be aware, we are going to get that big candle come 8:30. For those of you who trade CPI, good luck. Godspeed. And for the rest of you, thanks for the stream. Thanks, even though half of you made fun of me today. I still appreciate you guys. Love you all. And I'll be here, same time, 7 a.m. Make sure you're there. We'll do another giveaway. And yeah, catch you guys then. Peace.
Peace out, guys.